The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Goals.
Morning.
That's Charlie Papa Romeo X-ray.
Wasn't thinking that actually. This and TXMD as well. Since
TXMD.
yeah, they got an offer. I think they were in jeopardy of going bankrupt or something like that, and someone made them an offer of like $10 per share. Oh, but that was a few days ago. However, but I guess the date expires today for that offer. So I guess that's what made it spike in the I guess in the hopes that they accept the offer.
Right.
This thing, obviously it jumped way past $10. It jumped to like 11.60. So I mean, this thing was holding at 10 at some point, then it was hovering in the nines, but now it's dropped below 9. So still $1.11 between the actual offer and the current price. I mean, and I guess the company extended the offer. Yeah, I think they extended it to the end of day today. So
Yo, check out this madness from TTOO.
I think it's like any. They were granted a breakthrough device designation for Lyme disease test.
Mm-hmm. That thing went up and come right back down.
Yeah, that thing soared. I wonder if they. That's why sometimes too, like let me see what time this like the news initially dropped. I guess that's the better question. Excuse me. I mean, this news came out from yesterday at 8 a.m., but their shares outstanding. What is their float? A float of 163 million.
Right?
That's a lot. I was like, I said, no wonder the price action wasn't. I mean, it was significant. I mean, it was definitely if you got in like yesterday early and you held, you definitely would have seen something.
Yeah, you don't want to hold on to the stocks at all.
Right? Because look at that shit. You wake up and you're like, boop. But HSTO is looking.
Oh yeah, 428.
No, I've just been watching it. I mean,
Nice little jump though. Not gonna front.
I'm just hoping it come. Not that I want it to come like hitting the ground, but just trying to look for a decent entry, see if there's. Let me look at the news. I feel like I saw the news at some point. Oh, it's on a reverse stock split. So I remember we was talking about that. How when those things do that, those things go flying off the handle.
After the split, yeah, they usually go crazy.
I didn't even. Let me open up TD so I can see the actual volume of stuff.
For HSCO?
Yeah, it says like
So I don't know.
what? It says
614,000.
Mm-hmm.
600,000 so far.
Catalyst Pharmaceuticals has acquired certain of Jacobs' intellectual property rights, including the U.S. and Mexico rights to CPRX.
No volume.
Hold on. Yeah, the news just dropped maybe like 5 minutes ago. So let me see. Yeah, but I was looking at did this price drop even further? Oh, I thought it dropped even further. I was like, thank you. I don't know. Because here's the thing. If they accept that offer, this thing goes right back up.
Could be, man.
But I'll continue to just watch it. If I can get in around closing yesterday, then I'll feel a little bit better about it. But it's already still up over $1, so we'll see. I'll just leave it on the watch list. But HSTO is what's looking good so far for the day. You know, just looking at the pattern. What did it hit a high of? It hit a high of 473. Where is it at now? 423. I mean, it's lower lows. I mean, ever since it took that first dip, where it dipped that to 380 something, that would have been like the nice little attempt there.
But the thing is, if they do get rejected, that's not a whole, whole another
Futures
story.
moving higher now. S&P futures 38.37.
You mean like where it's getting rejected for the 473?
No, I'm talking about the offer.
Oh yeah. TMXE, if that offer gets rejected, then this thing is gonna go down the drain.
Yeah,
And that's the thing. We have no idea, like, I guess, what time it would even be
that's
releasing the
risky.
news.
That's risky business right there, man.
The insider traders know what's up.
They know.
I'm like, this thing jumped to 11.50. What the hell? I was like, if the offer is like $10, I would have immediately like shorted at 11.50. I'm like, what? It's $10. Why would this thing go? I mean, I've seen it before, but I definitely would have expected like,
Yo, I'm gonna send you this site, man. I found this site for homework. For low float. I don't know if you use it already, but
does it start with an F?
um, no.
Oh, I thought you was talking about
That's what. I sent it to the chat.
good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It doesn't show who you are. I'm just assuming I know who you are. So good morning. You don't need to expose yourself either. You can remain anonymous. Still get the comp. Oh yeah. Hmm. Hmm. God damn. 260K. Yo, one move on that. One slap of decent news that changes the world, and this thing is gonna. Oh, I see. You can look on the Nasdaq and okay. I tend to trade. You know what's funny, man? Like most stocks, like I feel like, and I don't do it on purpose, but they usually fall under Nasdaq. It's like the New York Stock Exchange, like their stocks is like not that there isn't pushes on them, but I don't know. I just feel like stocks under Nasdaq is usually
Usually
the
have
one.
the nice run, yeah. They usually have a nice, definitely, man. There's a lot of traders notice that as well.
And like the New York Stock Exchange is always like dry outside of what's his face. Um, you know those tickers, those UVX XY and SQQQ and
Hmm.
what whatever. Yeah, those are like the only ones that I be seeing that like super green. But everything on like NSC is always going down, and if it's going up, it's like very minimal. Again, I mean,
Check out FWBI, First Wave Biopharma.
FWBI.
FWBI, First Wave.
What's the news on this bad boy? Is maintained by Roth Capital. It's just moving. Yeah, I don't even have any news unless
Yeah, did
unless
a
Weeble is.
nice little move up trend. So low to put to the side and see what it does.
Add to the watch list. Damn, this thing jumped up that much. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this right open. Oh, and then it also shows you the short interest too.
That site?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. It gives you some good information. Like do some homework and then find out what's a nice penny stocks that's sitting on that.
Right. Throw a little something in there.
Yeah.
That IPO I was looking to get into, they pushed it back again. I was like, yeah, I'm good. Walked away from it. Yeah, that's crazy that ISIG is even on this list. ISIG,
Hmm.
Insignia, obviously, we know the brand, but their float is 850,000. I remember that this thing, this. I know it's not $19 anymore, but I remember when this thing just took off, and this was like very early in my trading career, and I didn't even understand it. I was like, why? I'm like, I get it, decent news, but why such a huge? And
Yeah,
I'm like, here, low float,
$35.
yeah, and look, now I know why. Low float of 850,000 shares is available. I don't know what it's at right now, but oh damn, you can't filter it. Oh, I was trying to. Oh, they did put it in numerical. Oh no, they did it. I was trying to filter it by like the short interest, like see what's the heaviest short interest, short interest, 300%. Oh yeah, let me put an investment in there.
Yo, Revlon,
Yeah,
64%, man. He's like,
PTON Peloton to set to stop in-house bike
they keep
production.
calling it like the number one short squeeze
That's from
potential.
Bloomberg.
Is it up right now? You said it's up 65%.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, that shit, man.
Stay
Wait, Revlon is
away.
REV, no? What the hell? You see my screen? Yeah, people. I'm on Revlon. This thing talking about is down 10%, like down 1%.
Yeah,
Revlon.
that's going to straight down it goes, man.
I'm like, yeah, Revlon, I don't trust you, buddy. Thank you, but no thanks.
Yeah, it's gone, man.
I'm like, thanks, but today's not the day for any gambling. Oh, did you see KSPN last night? Oh, made a nice little profit from there. I said last night like it was a movie. Yesterday.
KSP.
Yeah, that's on my watch list, brother. Like that was moving like UC, and I was like, this time, nah, man.
You say KSPN?
Yes, sir. KSPN,
Oh yeah, that was nice. Nice move, man.
and it's been holding strong. It has not dropped below 6 at all. It was just fluctuating. Like me, I was jumping. Like I said, 30 cents, 40 cents, 20 cents. I wasn't willing to stick around.
Mm-hmm.
But every time I did that, it still flew up another 30, 40 cents. It was jumping from low 6 back to 7, a little over 7, back down to low 6, back to 7, a little over 7. So it was doing its thing, man. I was like, let me just scalp this as much as possible.
It went up, man.
Mm,
Yeah, that was a nice move. That chart was clean, man.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's what I said. It's sitting here too, because people. You know how people go. Something ripped yesterday. All eyes on it the following day.
Yo, that chart was clean. Wow, what a move.
And I got there late. I noticed at like 1 p.m. Could you have imagined seeing that first thing at
First thing
open?
in the morning, yeah.
Uh,
I
I
mean,
would have been
it
playing
did a
that.
morning panic in the morning. Nice little
But
drop and then recover.
everybody was looking at PLRX. That was the biggest move yesterday. And I think that's what happened there. That it took all, but after the PLX hype, I feel like that's when everyone was like, "All right, we missed this shit." And also too to let you know, that KS, PN, the float is 1 million, just like UC, man.
Which
It's
one?
the one I just told you, the KSPN.
1
Hilarious.
million?
Yeah, brother. That's why I said my eyes is on this thing. Like,
Oh wow, that is good.
so that's why I'm like, if this thing maintains it's above 6, I may not touch it pre-market at all, to be honest. But I will watch it when the bell rings. Although my butt has to run somewhere, which is kind of annoying. I can always take my good old phone with me. Where is this thing? Yeah, man, the float is 1.2 million, and it's still holding steady. Like there's a drop from this morning 611 all the way back up to like 670 or something. That would have been a nice little 50 cents for me. Like I said, I
Yeah,
don't be looking.
that's nice, man. Still got time.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm just watching it, so I see a
Yeah,
drop.
people are coming in right now.
Let me see. It dropped to 630 area, came back up to 650. Then it just took a bigger drop after that to 622. And so now, what it's from that latest 677, it just looks like it's giving lower highs and lower lows. But who knows? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna. Hold on. What am I even looking at right now? Levels of, oh, there we go. Yeah, this is what I want instead. Yeah, I figured it out, man. I was like, yo, man, I need this thing to look like TD Ameritrade, man.
It
I
works
changed
now.
you see the L2 now?
Let's see.
See, it's a whole lot different now. So now I can see like the broker, whatever, the size, the price.
Yeah, that looks nice.
There's just like difference. Let me see. Or I can do it like this, but this
The
is
only thing
literally,
that's not working is your volume up to date.
yeah, only when the market opens,
When
boom.
the market open, it updated. Yeah.
I don't like that. So whenever I see volume, like I could look at this and be like, oh, volume 62,000 shares. I'm like, nah, it's probably really at like 400,000 or something, 300,000. Gotta get that money. Gotta get that money.
Yeah, this is definitely the best way to make that money, man. The potential is out there.
Mm, 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 mm.
SAVA Pain Therapeutics, which is now Cassava Sciences, granted U.S. patent for Alzheimer's disease assay in a living patient. That's Andy Alpha Victor Alpha.
Huh.
PTON, Peloton, press release now. Peloton exits own manufacturing and expands partnership with leading Taiwanese manufacturer Rexon. That's Papa Tango Oscar November. Has transitioned to third-party manufacturing is the latest step by Peloton to simplify
Yikes,
its
dude.
supply
That thing
chain
was
and
at
optimize
one
its
point
cost structure.
$100.
That's Papa Tango Oscar November.
Who?
PTON, Peloton, the workout machine thing.
Yeah, I
It
sure
was at one. It was at 171, man. Now it's all red.
$10. Maybe less. I shorted this thing years ago. I said years ago. I shorted it like, I don't know when I noticed it, but it was at like $32 or something. It was like terrible news. Like they were laying people off, like not laying people off, like they were firing them because the company was just
HL
doing
Heckler
poorly.
announcing Q2 2022
I was in
production.
tears. That was my first short ever, where I was like, oh, let me take a chance.
That's a good one, man.
And it fell to like the 20s. I didn't know it was going to drop. Like everyone kept on saying, man, this is going to go 16 below 10. But, you know, as a day
So
trader, I was like, I'm not holding
$3.6
and
million.
waiting for
That's
that.
up 10% over
You know.
Q1. Gold production 45,718 ounces. That's an increase of 10% over Q1. That's Hotel Lima.
Let's see. PLRX, man. I'm like, is this,
BERV, Verve Therapeutics, doses first human with an investigational in vivo-based editing medicine, Verve 101, as potential treatment for heterozygous familial hypercholesterolemia. That's Victor Echo Romeo Victor.
Yeah, they trying to bring that back up to $43. So
Who,
PLRX.
I'm with it too. I'll ride that with them if that's what they want to do.
Yeah, they trying to add another $20 to that, man. Overweight.
And Nano Labs
$40
announcing
from
pricing of its
27.
IPO, $11.50 per ADS.
Yesterday pattern.
1.77 million ADSs. That's November Alpha.
Cup handle pattern was nice.
What you looking at?
PLRX.
Yeah, it's so funny, man, because I'm like, yo, public offering, go down the drain. I guess they're still looking for someone to do it, but I'm like, this thing should be in the garbage by now. But then I look at the news. Oh, price target moved from 27 to 40. I was like, come on, man.
Mhm.
And then in the first move in the morning too, if you look back, it jumped from that. It was at 21.85. You know, I was watching this thing heavily because I was
I
texting
know.
you.
You saw me in the screenshots and stuff, man.
And look at this, from 21.85 straight to 24.24, 24.29,
Yeah,
and
man.
then
It's adding.
it dropped 21.19. The funny thing is, the minute I saw that first news, I was like, "Oh, it's over." Then it dropped from like 22 something to the same 22.19 yesterday, right? And I was like,
Crazy.
I was like, it's over. I'm not gonna even. I was like, oh, I could try to short, but I don't really, care to go in like that. I'll just watch for a little bit. It jumps all the way back up to like $24 from that moment. I'm like, why would people still be buying this? I mean, I understand what they did. The news was just phenomenal. Obviously, it jumped up 10, $11, but I was like, I'm not touching this no more. I made some profit off of it in the middle of the day. I was just like, all right, I'm good.
Yeah,
Like,
but it looks like they trying to add more, man.
and the shorts are covering fast because I think they're getting a little nervous that the price
Yeah,
didn't
they
drop.
nervous
Yeah, they're
with
like,
those
yo,
ratings. They nervous, man.
like,
Overweight and $20 extra. I will take my money out too, man. It's no joke.
the thing is, what's the 7 a.m. crew gonna do to this thing? That's the number one question.
That's the big question for real, man.
Because 7 a.m. crew, unless they shorted at the top, which would have been $23 if you talk in market, or $24 after hours, then they would be looking to collect, which means this shit is going to spike up dramatically because it's holding above 21. It's not going below that.
Scary move, man.
hmm It's on the watch list. It's good. It's good entertainment for me today. Because even, let me see the L2. Let me look at the L2 on just a regular order book. I mean, I see people trying to cover at 21.17. I see 5,000 shares trying to be bought there. Uh, Another 2,500 shares trying to be bought at 21.15. At $21, 5,120 shares are trying to be bought at $20.70. 5,000 shares, but people, I think the shorts are starting to panic where they're like, yo, man, this thing is not, look, 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 look. Did you see that?
So,
Oh,
yeah,
man.
man.
The shorts are panicking. If this thing was in the 20s right now, everyone would feel much more comfortable with just holding.
It's going to 30, man. No matter the time the day is over, we might see $40 or more.
Disrespectful, man. It's like they don't want it to fail at all. I mean, the news is really good, and I get that, but I was like, public offering $8. I was like, oh no. I might watch this all day, and if it does hit the 40, I'll be more than happy to take a short position. I'll risk it all.
You think
But,
you think it's gonna go back down to to that $8 they offering.
I don't know. I mean, if it hits 40, I'm willing to take the risk, you know. Or if it hits, you know, uh, it's just really watching like what's the highest, and then waiting for volume to slow down at that point, and then just taking a shot. Maybe it might, Again, I'm not looking to hold long term or stay forever, but I've seen it. I've seen stocks drop. Look, hell, Tesla dropped $40 yesterday. Is Tesla even still dropping? Tesla is getting smoked. And that's messed up too, because the day before Tesla was like up, it went up $7 in pre-market just to fall.
Yeah, they taking a hit for sure.
Damn, Tesla, why are you doing like? Are they still taking a hit right now? Damn, another $9.
You see the news on that?
Yeah, because of his backing out of the deal.
Not even that. He's talking about Donald Trump. He should hang up his hat.
Time for Donald to hang up his hat. That's Donald Trump has a lot of followers, man. If we learned anything from DWAC, man, they don't like that. They said, "Oh yeah." To be honest, I see Tesla can probably get back to 700 before the market opens, man. This shit been fluctuating.
I was reading
Dramatic.
something yesterday about how he wanted to sell. What was it? 8 point something $billion in stocks. So that's why he wanted to make it wouldn't be questioned since he was trying to buy Twitter.
Yeah.
So that was his excuse to sell billions of dollars of stocks.
Oh, well now since he's backing out of it, they're like, okay, are you gonna buy
This
back?
now his money stays. That's his money now because once he sells it, that was his excuse. Now he had an excuse to sell the stock to make that much. I think it was $8.1 billion
Mm.
something he sold, and he had to pay like $1 billion fee or something.
So he's sitting on 7 billion.
DG, Dollar General, announcing a CEO transition plan. Delta Golf announced Todd Vassos' decision to retire from his position as CEO effective November 1st.
Dollar General. Yeah, I need a new
Jeffrey Owen,
CEO.
company's chief
The
operating
stores are
officer, to
garbage.
succeed Vassos as the CEO immediately following
Like Donald,
Vassos'
Donald
retirement from
General and
CEO
Family
role.
Dollar, all
That's
those guys.
Delta Golf PG.
Like it's a great business plan. I like them when I go to one, and that's nice. But for the most part,
Shares of Dollar General trading now
those things are like
up 87 cents at
unorganized. Like shit is everywhere.
$254.75. Delta Golf.
I'm like, damn, man, I'm looking for something, man. Could I just organize it? Because it's like a discounted supermarket. I mean, like excuse me, not supermarket, discounted Walmart, because they have clothes and,
Mhm.
and other stuff in there. I mean, not to even be funny, I think their stock prices are high though. It's not like they're low. Look at Donald Dollar General is 253. Jesus Christ.
GE.
DG, Dollar General. I'm just looking at Dollar General.
DG.
BOEV, Canoe, shares hitting $3.35 on that collaboration with Walmart.
Oh, who?
Walmart to purchase 4,500 electric delivery vehicles from Canoe. That's Golf Oscar Echo Victor.
Yeah, this is How you feel about that? That's
Which one?
looking good. GOEV. They just got a partnership with Walmart. Walmart is gonna buy Walmart is trying to buy like 4,500 electric vans from them.
The float though, man.
Where is it at? Oh no, I said, where's it at? I look to the right. I'm like, you see, when you see the news, you're like, yes. And then
Hmm.
you look to the right and you're like, oh, it's like, why? The highest it got was 33, wait, $3.32, but then it broke the high again. Do you think it's gonna keep going? I mean, that's a lot of float though. That thing was like 5 million float. This thing would have already been up
Yeah,
dramatically.
I
Yeah,
would definitely see.
yeah. I'll wait for it to come back to earth a little bit. Maybe if it touches VWAP around $3 or something, maybe. I'm like, no gambling today.
I mean, it's making move, man. It's just risky
It,
business.
it already
I
broke.
like 175 low couple. What was it? Yeah, man, it was last month. Last month it was at 175.
Yep. Pays to have inside information, huh?
It does sometimes, man, but it's illegal, man. People go to jail for that nonsense.
It's hilarious. Like you just happen to be walking into a coffee shop, you see two people sitting down. Like, yeah, man, I'm super excited. Walmart is gonna be.
You know, a lot of people do that, right?
Well, they just like go and hang out
Yeah,
where.
go in those places and to hang out, to hear what people are talking about. Yeah, that's a nice move, man. Just to float, though, man.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like
That's all.
they're gonna short that. They're gonna.
And is it even? I see the hard to borrow came up 22%. That's nothing. Shorts don't care for that. I could say. I could
It
say.
is. Okay, Walmart is buying. The Brico will be driven by this Walmart orders.
Right.
Well,
When is the cars gonna be delivered though?
that's the thing, man. That's what I was thinking. They didn't
To
give the date for nothing.
Canoe's delivery date is expected to begin hitting the road in 2023, but the companies plan to kick off advanced deliveries to refine vehicle configuration in Dallas, Fort Worth metroplexes in the coming weeks, they said. uh,
Yeah, so I think it's a good news to buy and what?
NAK Northern Dynasty says its 100% owned US-based subsidiary Pebble Limited Partnership concluded its 2022 summer work program.
I'll add it to the watch list.
That's November out. Kilo.
It's a good buy if if you don't want your cash now.
It would have been a good buy if I was paying attention to the news on it 41 minutes ago. I would have definitely just got in there immediately. But it is what it is.
No, I still got time, man. I think this thing is gonna go.
$5.
Yeah, we might see these numbers.
Yeah, because look at the way it's moving.
Yeah, it's moving, and then the news, and then the orders that they have.
And 2023 is not
But
so far away.
we don't know if it's a verbal or if it's a invoice they receive. But they just say they're gonna buy, kind of like they're gonna buy a promise, not really like they purchase.
Walmart to buy.
Walmart say Tuesday it is per. It is purchasing.
Hold on. Let me open up one of these news little articles. What the hell?
See, no financial term were disclosed.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I gotta look into these little words, they little keywords they put in there.
This is really just fear of missing out and, just seeing Walmart because obviously everyone
Hmm.
knows what
They see
Walmart is.
purchasing, but when they start reading more, they're gonna realize it sounds like a verbal commitment.
Now, I'm looking, I clicked on another news link, it took me to Market Watch. It said Tuesday is purchasing 4,500 all electric. Now, said, that's the key thing here. Walmart said that Tuesday is purchasing
Yeah,
uh, uh, for
the
use in
company did
lines.
not say they received invoice to put this amount from Walmart for 4,500.
Yeah. The news sent shares up 30%. Walmart but now it says, but the next sentence now is Walmart is also purchasing an option,
For 10,000 more.
yeah, for zero emissions by 2040. No financial terms were disclosed.
That's the key. That's the key words I was looking at.
Hmm.
So this sounds like a verbal commitment, not like purchase orders or something.
Hmm. Yeah, but like you said, man, not everyone is gonna. They just gonna see the first
Hmm. And then
four
they're gonna jump in.
sentences.
And I think that's what the sucks went up that high. I'll wait, man. But it's definitely something. It's leading, on the positive side. But it's I could see it as a long term for sure. Not yeah.
Not for the next
SMR, New
4
Scale Power and
hours.
Paragon signed license agreement to make New Scale reactor protection system design available for industry use. That's Sandy Michael Romeo.
GOVE. Yeah, we might.
GOEV.
Yeah, we might see. We might see $4 5, but the float, man, it's not. They're gonna start reading into it, and they're gonna short that for sure. They're gonna go after it, man.
Beat it to the ground.
Yeah, until
Yeah.
2024.
Right. That's what I was like.
But
If it
if
would.
what if the company do a buyback? That might
Mm,
that might do something.
it
So
might
if they
harm.
know all these good things are coming, they might wanna
Cut their float in
yeah
half.
cut the float. That might be something.
Mm. Here's a nice little dip, right? Well, not a
Yep,
dip,
a
but it's,
nice
it's
little dip
it's
coming.
trying to. I want it to come all the way down to like around. If it comes around 3, I'll get it. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Throw a little something in there, something small.
Oh, me too, man. If it goes down to like even 271 or 275, even 280, 290, I'm
Yeah,
in.
yeah. Right now, it's smoking boots right now. So
Yeah, I just didn't like that big jump, man. And I think people are starting to read into it. They don't see a purchase order. They just sounds like a verbal commitment.
let me see. It touched that. It took that dip at 262. Yeah, that was the time. That was the moment to like, all right, let's see what's going on. And I would have that 262 at the $3. I probably would have already been gone. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Maybe I would have.
Oh, whoa! It did say it signed the purchase agreement.
You see. What source you looking at? Market Watch.
No, no, no. TD Ameritrade. The news that came out at 6:21. No, no, no. 6:23.
So there is
It says he has a signed purchase agreement with Walmart. So
you said what time it came out? 6:21,
six
6:23.
twenty-three, 6:23. The one that
Shares
came out. The
gonna
one that says candle stock
said
jumps on
it has
electric
signed a
hauler.
purchase. Okay, so
So they did sign something. Yeah, so it's gonna go, man. I'm waiting for the dip.
I'm not gonna even lie to you. He said I'm waiting for the dip. I think a good, if possible, man, yeah, like a good $2.90 to $3 entry, because I see it dipped as low as 262, but it's not going back there. I'm looking at like the lowest low right before, correct me if I'm wrong, was what, like 304, like three, like from the
Yeah,
last low.
yeah, I see it, but too much green for me, man.
Yeah, you just see it, green, green, green,
Yeah,
green.
too much of that. I need a little dip,
Yeah, you need someone to come and collect their profits.
something, man. I need a pattern to form something, but I
That's
can't do that FOMO right there, man.
AGLE, Helen
That's
of
the
Troy
fear of missing
reporting a
out,
solid
man. When you see all
two.
that green, you're like, oh man, let me jump in.
but yeah, not on that news right there. I'm not
Adjusted
gonna.
earnings of $2.41.
I'm mad they said look at the warrants too. You know what? Actually, that's funny.
What's the ticker symbol for that one?
Um, uh, GOEVW.
W.
It jumped up 13 cents.
Oh, dude, I think I'm gonna focus on that one.
Yeah, you feel me?
Yeah, I'm gonna look at that one. That the other one could say bye. I'm good.
Uh, I was like, what's the float? There is none. Right now, the volume says 9,000 on here, but we all know if we go to TD, GOEVW.
It should be under consumer, right? Let's see, consumer.
Sales of 508 million. The estimate
Wow, Weeble got this one right. The
522.43
volume is
million.
9,000. It's 9,000 on TD as well.
Sees 2023 sales of 2.15 to 2.2 billion
I don't know.
versus the
I think-
$2.19 billion
I think
estimate.
everyone is so locked in on the regular stock because this technically should have already flew up a little bit more than 13
Nah,
cents.
it will, bro. It will.
They will, for those that notice.
Mhm. They're gonna go for it. They're gonna be like, all right, $3 is too much. You will see that for sure, man. I'm serious. You'll see that.
That is hilarious, man. Why am I getting
Yep,
an update?
9,000 shares so far. Yeah, man.
You said what?
Like you said, man, 9,000 shares traded so far. So I'm in, man. That's my focus right there on this one.
He said, I'm not going to even hesitate.
Yeah, that's my focus on that one for sure.
Correction on Helen of Troy. Those earnings were out on July 7th. Wire Service reporting.
I'm going to buy like 10 million shares.
That as
Nah,
new
could you
report.
imagine? Yeah.
No, I'm pretty sure there's people who's already on that. That same amount too. Give me 10 million shares of that. Because they're trying to catch on to Amazon and
And they said warrants rights to other what are set to trade during regular hours only. Please
Yeah.
do not.
that's why you don't see it.
That's grimy.
That's they're trying to say, man. It's gonna go. Yeah, I
That's
think if I'm
grimy.
not mistaken, sometimes it's even hard to get in.
That's grimy.
Yeah, I mean that's perfect, bro. I love it.
Watch list.
Yeah,
Beep, beep.
that's
Beep,
yep,
beep.
put it right there. Watching it for sure.
Regular. Guys, we are not financial advisors. Please do not do what we do. Do your own homework. Trade at your own risk. We're just going through our process, seeing what looks good to us. If you feel
And
the same
do
way,
what
then
he do.
that's up to you. But
Yeah.
just double check. But we are going to give you the information. That's the point of this channel. We're going to be transparent. as much as possible. Hold on, let me come back here. Is there any comments or anything that I nope?
Twitter.
I need to. There has to be a setting where I could just have the comments pop up when they pop up. You know, that'd be cool.
It should be that way, man. I don't think you have to go manually
Yeah, this is some
and do
nonsense.
that.
On this, even on the regular one, man. Even that, I'm like, hold on, man. I might have to. It's dipping though. There's all that red you wanted to see.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, I think the warrant look way better for me, for sure.
you guys, calm down and pop up.
Yeah, there you go. Nice dip right there happening. That's exactly what I think should happen.
Yeah,
It was moving way too fast.
Oh yeah, here it is. I'm not gonna even lie to you. I'm gonna throw in a little order just in case. If it's
Yeah, at what price?
like $2.95.
ALDX, Aldera Therapeutics, achieves primary
Somewhere
endpoints in
in
dry
there.
eye disease chamber
I
crossover
mean, I'm gonna
clinical
watch it.
trial.
If it even touches
I'm
3
putting
and
the
it's
Delta
holding there
X-ray.
and it's like trying to make a move.
It might do a double bottom or 3 or 4.
RYTM, Rhythm Pharmaceuticals, announcing interim results from phase 2 clinical trial evaluating setmelanotide in hypothalamic obesity. That's Romeo Yankee Tango Michael. LPTX, Leap Therapeutics, announced initiation of new DKN-01 clinical trials in gastric cancer, colorectal cancer, and endometrial cancer. That's Lima Papa Tango X-ray.
Damn, I seen so much green on my chart, man. Look at this thing.
mRNA, Moderna, announcing first participant dose in the
this thing.
phase 1 trial
Look at this
of
thing.
its
Look,
Ebola virus
Oh,
mRNA vaccine.
oh,
7 a.m.
mRNA
crew, man.
1215.
oh.
That's Michael Romeo November Alpha.
7
What's wrong
a.m.
with
crew.
you?
7 a.m. crew, man.
That was crazy. That was nuts.
Look,
Yeah,
look,
man,
look.
$5, man. And the
BLU, Bellis Health, announced
yeah, man, I'll
alignment
wait,
with
man.
FDA on primary
I think
efficacy
the other
endpoint of
one's gonna do.
24-hour
Oh no, why is this?
reduction being assessed
Don't
using
move.
Vitalogic cough monitoring system. That's Bravo Lima uniform. HYRE, higher current, narrowing their guidance based on strong second quarter performance.
Come on down.
Continue to increase, demand continued to increase the prior quarter despite record high. Higher car says demand continued to increase versus prior quarter despite record high gas prices. That's Hotel Yankee Romeo Echo. ANGO, Angiodynamics, with their full year and Q4 results. Adjusted earnings of a penny for Alpha November Golf Oscar. The estimate was a penny, so that's in line. Revenue or sales of 87 million, that's a beat on revenue for Alpha November Golf Oscar. SYBX and Logic initiates phase 1 study of SYNB 1353 to treat homocystinuria. That's Sandy Yankee Bravo X-ray, SYBX.
Where are you on my watch list? are you doing now? Ah, another nice little dip.
STRA and CZR, Strategic Education's Workforce Edge partners with Caesars Entertainment to provide nearly 50,000 team members tuition benefit program. That's STRA and CZR. DOEV Canoe shares continuing to move higher now, $3.79 on that deal with Walmart for electric vehicles. That's Golf Oscar Echo
Keep telling the
Victor.
world, Papa. It's not a problem. And that dip at 313
LTI,
was crucial. And I was
Loan
looking at it
Depot.
too, the bastards.
Yo, GOE W is already at
Depot
53 cents.
announcing Vision 2025.
Which is crazy. This
Just
is what I'm
current
saying. Like, how
and
is it?
anticipated market conditions. Loan Depot says targeting about $375 to $400 million in annualized cost reductions and run rate operating profitability exiting 2022. That's Lima Delta, India.
Lord.
Yo, I'm seeing orders for like 58 cents, but it's not
HSDT,
reflecting.
Helios Medical, announced online training for
Oh, I thought you was about to say, I
therapy.
see orders
Hotel Sandy
for $58
Tango.
on GOEV. I was going to say, well,
GOEVW is moving 58 cents, but it's not reflecting on the chart. So I don't know if it's gonna jump.
I can't even make an order. So,
You sure, man? I just did.
nah, Weeble is like that. Like, and that's the thing, guys, with like specific platforms. Like, I'll try again, but that thing,
Yeah, since it's 7 o'clock, I will try again, but I was able to get in 51 cents.
we'll try. We'll try our very best.
Yep, 58. It took at 59.
That like go to hell.
66, dude. It's out.
DOEV can
Yeah.
now at $4.
Weeble won't let you do it. That was the one thing I remember about TD that I used to like be able to get in there. Oh, my order just filled at 4. What the hell? Yep. Thanks for playing, everyone. Quick profit. Jesus Christ. Where the hell am I? Oh. This thing is not even trying to pull back. This thing is this. Yeah.
60 cents. It's at 416, man. We're definitely gonna see that
Yeah,
selling contract.
I already collected some profit. It's definitely going to touch like 5 or something. It
Yeah,
has to.
it's definitely going. Yeah, that thing is going, man. Both of them joints are going up. $0.72, man.
OPEC oil output rose 234,000 barrels per day in June to 28.72 million. Uh, that's from Dow Jones. Saudi Arabian oil output rose 159,000 barrels per day to 10.59 million barrels per day. OPEC says Eurozone GDP growth to slow to 2% in 2023 from 3% in 2022. China GDP growth to slow to 5% in 2023 versus 5.1% in 2022. Oil demand growth to slow to 2.7 million barrels per day in 2023 from 3.4 million barrels per day in 2022.
Yo, did you get in PLRX?
What is that thing doing now? Yeah, it dropped down to like 21.20 now.
What price did you get it?
When I shorted it yesterday.
Oh, you're not in?
Nah,
Oh, all right.
I'm looking at this GOEV. Like, yo, how far are you willing to go? $100 million in cash, GOEV. Jesus Christ.
PLRX, man, it looks like it's gonna go back up. It might do that $40 they talking about, or 30. Probably do half of that.
Yeah, because it refuses.
32 million float, so not bad. With that price target, man, I think it might probably touch half of it. It's like $32. But I think people are focusing now on that GOEV. Might be the reason why it dropped down to 8 to go get that offering. but it looks like it's on the way up. The MACD is showing it's about to turn green. So
Yeah, this GeoEV. What the hell's wrong with this thing? This thing is really.
yeah, it's pushing, man.
Hey, yo, Akeem, man, don't text me, man. Do your homework. Make money.
Crude dipping to the
The
lows.
Geo EVW is at 80 cents already,
News
man.
now bouncing a bit here, 99.34.
Up and it just GeoEV just broke the last high too of
83 cents, man.
what's on
People,
TD's chart.
people are getting in.
Oh, look at the time in sales. Jeez.
Yeah, I see an order for $1.50 on that one. So
You said $1.50.
yep, for Geo EVW. So this one's probably
Oh,
gonna go double digit, and then the other one is gonna follow through, man. I've seen it done before.
oh, I thought you said on the GeoEV, the regular one you saw an order
Oh
for.
nah, I would jump on that one too if that was the case. But that thing's gonna go to $5 and keep climbing, man. Yeah, I got that in at 51 cents, man.
Let everyone collect their profits. This is why I like to open the TD because on the TDL2 you can see incoming orders. What do you see in terms of GeoEV? I'm about to open this thing up myself too on the other computer.
For like L2,
Yeah.
I see it drop to where it is right now, 416. 414 is yep. So it's probably gonna hit that $4. 409. Yep, that's where it is, man. This is the dip. But it might take a drop to $4. That would be nice. But the way it's moving, I doubt it, man.
Yeah, it's like people is like, all right, like
Yeah. It's showing people are setting their orders for that kind of price, and if it's big enough, it might go down to get it, and that's what's happening. 415, 416, and it's going down to go get those orders, man. Yeah, there's a big order for 415 that just went in. Yep, 415, 415. Yep, see it? Orders for
mhm.
415 that just went in. Okay, 409 is playing the game, so it might be a dip. There you go, 408. It's kind of cool, man, but I'll say the lowest that thing might drop is $4 from what I'm seeing, or 380. Yeah, I don't see three in the radar at all. $3 is gone. 406 is the lowest I'm seeing. What is
And that,
PLRX doing?
and this thing is about to go nuts again. Here we go. And It ate up all those little orders at
Yeah, man. I think this is the play for today for sure, man.
$10.
Yeah, Walmart is huge. Like the fact that they signed, like if it was a verbal, then I would understand it's just a pump. But the fact that they signed something, I mean they up to something, and they've been trying to beat Amazon for a while now. So
Plus, the deliveries are in 2023 is something that's
yeah, they've been trying to get ahead of that. Sometimes I even find like regular people are dropping off stuff that I ordered from Walmart. So they're trying to find a way to catch on or be ahead of Amazon for sure. 94 cents for the warrant is showing up, man.
I see it's holding strong at 409.
Yeah, I would love to know how many shares they bought.
HSTO Histogen shares moving again now, $5.25 at the high. Hotel Sandy Tango Oscar.
Yeah, remember the where is this thing? HSTO. Look at the chart. Look at the screen. HSTO. Look at it.
Yeah, we mentioned that this morning, right?
Yeah, look at that. Doo-doo-doo.
Oh yeah, we did talk about the float of that.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's another nice one, man. It's crazy. We're
Let's see.
on this, man.
Look,
Let's see.
370 skyrocketed 371 because that was a nice little dip too. 371.
Oh, I'm loving the dip, though. The nice dip on that one for sure. Yep, that was after the split, man. That's a thing that I've seen happen over and over again, man. Yeah, broke the new high at 473.
Hey, GeoEV, man, I need you to go to like at least $50. Let me look at the warrants. Fucking guy. See, this is why it depends on what platform you're using, man. Because I noticed that about Webull, like in the warrants, like they tend not to even let you even get in there. I forgot about that because I haven't tried to buy a warrant in so long.
Which one did you buy now?
What is that? The GeoEV, the regular stock.
Oh, you bought GOBE?
Yeah.
At what
I,
price?
I already collected the first time, but then I bought back in at 416. So I'm
Not
holding
bad,
up.
man. No, not bad at all. Market's not even open yet.
So I'm hoping it holds this 415, 416 area for me, to be honest. Yep. Keep eating those 416s, man. Yeah, that's right. I mean, if it breaks this 425 right now before the market
Yeah,
even
we'll
opens,
survive for sure.
it's gonna go bananas.
But I mean, that's crazy that you can't buy this one that's at.
That's that Weeble. That's that. I gotta take my dog to the vet today, so I definitely have to make $10 million before I leave.
Call it, man. Call it. People might be like, you sound crazy, but in reality, The possibilities right there. Oh man, look at it. HSTO, man, it's about to break the 525. I will get in around like 540 on this one because the way the thing is extended right now. Yep, it broke 526, 530. Yeah, my interest will be 535, 540 entry. Yeah, didn't add after that broke out. Yeah, dropped. There you go. It's 535, 540 will be. There you go. Right there, I'll get in. Yep, 539, 540. It's gone, man. It is gone. What a nice play. GOEV. Let's do this. Can't let it HSTO take over for sure. Can't let that happen. Yeah, stay there. 540.
Come on, Walmart's news has to be stronger than the split. Look at the split. The split looking nice. I look to my left, all I see is HSTO. I saw that shit, but I was like, when we looked at it, I was like, nah, it's too high right now. I said, I'll wait. Yeah,
It wasn't high enough.
yeah. I think it was at 450. I was like, nah, man.
Benzing market update, S&P futures down 20.75, the Dow futures down 229, NASDAQ down 16.75, crude is down $4.64 now at $99.45 following the OPEC headlines. Gold up $4.70 at 1736.40. Bitcoin futures down 730 at 19,725.
Oh man, what is going on with you? Stay right there. Don't create too much attention on yourself, man. We don't need that right now.
What you looking
Shares
at?
of Peloton moving off the
HSTO.
$9.15.
Too much attention on that one right now, man.
Now
This
six
is
with,
oh
exited
my
2000
god,
manufacturing
that thing just took
of
off,
its
man.
products. Papa Tango Oscar November.
546. Oh, 550. Oh my goodness. 52. Yo, I'm seeing $7 on that one. Yeah, man, I've seen this play before, man. After stock split, you should just take off. Like, why? It's creating too much attention, man. Too much.
All right. All right. I'm like, yo, man. GO.
Yeah, GOEV is where I'm gonna focus. Yeah, I'm seeing $7 for that joint, man.
Oh, the HSTO.
HSTO, yeah. Level 2 showing $7.
I think it wants to be aggressive as hell, don't it? I don't even see the 7 on the. What the hell am I looking at?
Oh,
Oh, no.
I don't see it again. I guess because of the dip. When it was at 570, it shows $7 on level 2. But I do see a drop for like $4 and
Easy FL,
76
Easy
cents.
Fill exclusive to Benzinga, Easy Fill
That
announcing
disappeared.
expansion of fleet to 31 operating vehicles with 9 additional vehicles in production. That's Echo Zulu Foxtrot Lima, Easy FL.
Okay. Ooh.
What happened?
Easy FL.
RIDE, Lordstown Motors
Just
announcing
jumped like
executive appointment.
crazy.
You said EV who?
Easy, the one you just mentioned,
Company
Easy
announcing a
FL.
new executive chairman. The company's president named
Easy, Z as in
CEO
Zebra.
zebra.
Edward Hightower.
What's the news on this?
How about the electric cars?
I don't even see news on.
That's Romeo India Delta
On this thing, I
Echo.
gotta go to TD to get the news. Or I can go.
DYN, Dyne Therapeutics, announced clearance of clinical trial application for Dyne 131 to treat myotonic dystrophy type 1. That's Delta Yankee
Easy adds
November.
new delivery vehicles. Where are you, GOEV? What you doing? Back to GOEV. What type of?
Easy FL, Easy Fill Holdings, getting a pop here following that report.
The winners right now is
On
GOEV
additional
and
vehicles
HSTO. Man, those are the
in
ones
its fleet.
that's doing a lot right now. Like it's like you don't know which. Well, I know what that sounds like. That sounds like orders being executed. I mean, I think I'm about to
I got some of that
GOEV.
no Easy FL, man. I'm already in
Oh, I was gonna say, I thought you.
GOEVW.
Yeah. Good morning, Arif. Good morning. Good morning. I'm a little late to the comments. Sorry, but I forgot what was the platform that you used.
ALYA, Alethea's Oracle practice signs anticipated $10 million U.S. contract with dental insurer. That's Alpha Lima Yankee Alpha.
I'm literally watching like 10 different stocks. No, I'm lying. Not 10. I'm just watching the top 2. I'm also, man, that. Hold on, man.
S&P futures getting a pop here.
My man is working. I hear that computer working over there for you, man.
Yeah, man. I'm loading. I'm loading for 8 o'clock, man.
Tesla continuing to.
He said I'm loading for 8 o'clock, the 8 a.m. crew.
8
I'm
a.m.
coming
crew,
in.
man. I know they coming in, man. They're gonna push that thing so crazy. I'm gonna just sit there and watch.
I'm like GOEV looking crazy.
Damn, bro, that's crazy that you can't get GOEVW, man.
Yeah,
It just took a nice dip, man. Like I think it's at 70 cents, man.
I need GOV to go to like $20, and then I need.
Man, I would love to see that, man. GOEVW will follow through for sure.
AKA and a candidate to supply Tetra Biopharma with pharmaceutical grade cannabis for FDA trials of Kicksleaf. That's
It hit a new low of
Alpha
like
Kilo, Alpha
$3.98 and a half, and it jumped back up. So GOEB looks like it wants to take a little pullback, and so does HSTO, which I'm not complaining about. Like, please come get me.
Oh, you trying to get that one too? Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave that one alone, man.
Who, the HSTO?
Yeah.
He said I'm
As,
gonna leave that one
as
alone.
much as I've seen that play after the split, they start going up. I'm good, man.
Nah.
Yeah, I've seen it over and
I've been
over,
in since
man.
375, so I'm about to. Nah, imagine. I was looking at it this morning. I was like, reverse split, huh? I was like, but when we saw it was like four something
AAL,
already.
American
Yeah,
Airlines.
we actually was
says
talking about it.
expects Q2 total revenue to be up about 12%.
We didn't see the dip. That's all that
versus
it was.
Q2 of
We was looking at
2019.
this thing right here. So I'm trying to look for a nice new entry on GOEV.
American says Q2 total revenue per available seat mile expected to be up about 22.5% versus.
You see, and that's why. And I'm looking at. I have
2019.
TD Ameritrade open on my other laptop too, man. But believe me.
Yo, remember MULN we were talking about?
I saw what it did.
Says expected
140.
No, you saw the news on that?
And total available liquidity.
Yeah, there was something else that dropped. Like they some
That's Alpha Lima.
partnership or something like that,
With
or
Amazon, man.
Because of
I didn't see that.
AAL.
600 EV cargo van from
13.65 cents,
Amazon.
up 12
So,
cents now.
I didn't see that at all.
Alpha Lima.
and that was yesterday, man. So there's something holding the stock at 117 or one, because when we were seeing it, it was like at 102.
No, absolutely. Because when we saw it, it was 102, 103. The funny thing is, I made profit in that same day, and then I was like, "Yo, this thing is thing." But I remember you were saying like, "Yo, trust me, give or take," especially since they paid that most of that loan off.
Yep, it went up to 141, and then
Like
now it's dropped. It dropped to 117, so, and then yesterday it dropped something about 600 EV cargo van for Amazon.
That thing says 22 hours ago, which was, I guess, 7 p.m. at night. So technically, after hours was open. So I would have assumed the fact that it's even down right now is hilarious.
Yeah, man, this is kind of like, I'm loving it, man. I might probably grab some of that and hold on to, because Amazon definitely want to switch back to electric.
And maybe that's why Walmart did what it did with
Mhm.
these guys. Now, here's the other thing too. That's funny too, because I was like, oh, let me just allocate like a small amount of shares to it just to hold it down. It's at 117, but when I tell you the buy order at 117 is 109,000 shares, they're like, you're not going below 117. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah, man,
180.
I'm surprised that thing didn't keep going from 141 to.
Nah, man, this thing has been, like I said, back in the day when I was looking at it, and it was at like.
But yo, the float. Whoo-hoo!
That's the biggest issue.
I think that's the problem.
Yeah, man. Like I said, there's 107,000 shares trying to be bought at 117. So you would imagine if this was a float of freaking even 100 million, this thing would have been going.
Yeah, they need to buy back some of their shares, man. What
Yeah,
is
especially
going
with all this
on?
money.
That's crazy. Yeah, I think someone with big amount is gonna come in and buy some of that at a discount price.
Yeah, because 103. And what was that, like 2 weeks ago? That's the thing.
Yeah,
It's like,
I have a feeling an hedge fund is gonna come in trying to buy like 100 million at a discount price.
for like 103.
Yeah, for like, yep. It'll be like, oh yeah, we'll buy 100 million at 98 cents. But hopefully it's not public, man. If they do a private offering for that, yeah, it's gonna take off.
I'm looking at here. Hold on. Mullen is good, but it's definitely long term. Because again, like I told you, I was in there at like 70 cents. Once it got to like 80, 90, it was just taking too long because I was holding that thing for like 2-3 days. I was just like, you know what, man. Then guess what? Like a week later, right up to 3 something. But I did allocate like a heavy amount of shares. So that's why I was like, I can't have like that much tied in there that long, you know?
Right.
But then I was like, damn, I should have left a little something
A
in there.
little
So,
something in there. Yeah,
yeah.
man. Because we saw it at like 98. It dropped down to like 98, 97 cents. I think
Hmm.
it was even 95. And then we talk about the debt and all that stuff. So, yeah, that's definitely something to hold on to.
Let me see. Yeah, that 117 is strong. And then, okay, so that hundred and something thousand shares is gone now. But then you see like from different brokers, like at least 6 brokers.
118, man. Yeah, 118 is standing strong too.
Hmm. So that's the battle. That's why I'm like, all right, go back to $1. I don't have a problem.
Yeah, that float, man, is really killing it for real.
GOVE, what you doing, man?
Yeah, he's playing. Stop playing games, and I guess it's waiting for the 8 o'clock, man. I could wait. I have all the time for that one.
The 8 a.m. crew is just hanging out. Where's this HSTL? Uh,
MSFT, Microsoft shares getting a pop here. Michael Sandy Foxtrot
I'm pretty
Tango.
sure it is, but I'm not interested. What is this guy doing? This guy's still hovering around 550. I should short this shit to the hell. That's for the fun of it. After the 8 a.m. crew comes in, though, I need to see what they're doing.
I
What do
went
you
out.
think? What do you think the 8 a.m. crew is going to target? You think they're going to target
Walmart, man.
Walmart, right? That's the bigger news, man.
Yeah, I think they're gonna go for that because HSTO, man. That once you see that reverse stock split, it kind of holds you back a little.
But HSTL, their float is 2.3 million.
Oh yeah, that might bring investors in for sure. I mean
That's
traders.
the thing that's like getting me. Like GOEV has 189 million. So if I'm just going off of volume, float, both of them
HSTO,
already took off.
HSTO is what it is. Yeah,
Yeah,
for the float. Yeah,
for the float. But if you thinking Walmart, you like that's a huge corporation. You know that gotta mean something. Amazon just also, yeah, you know what, man? Amazon, I put that on my watches for a reason, man.
for the
Was it?
split coming.
No, the split already happened. I was like, another one? Damn, it's only up 15 cents from that news I saw last night. There's some news that it wasn't even the Canoe EVs. It was something else that I saw. Or am I tripping? One hour ago. Where's that news you dropped like last night? JP Morgan bullish on Amazon stock ahead of Prime Day. Of course. When is Prime Day anyway?
Yeah, what is that? Trying to create something new here, huh?
Amazon float 9 billion. I mean, it can move. I've seen it move $10, $15 on the first day after the split. People were like, yippee, I can afford it. And then like the day traders, it was like, thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah, they shorting that like crazy.
But I don't see Amazon. I would like for it to go to $90, but I don't ever see it. Like the fact that it even hit 101, like 102. That was the time I did the math on the split the night. Oh my god, Look at GeoEV trying to make a solid comeback.
Yeah, trying to make a comeback for sure, man.
It's trying to beat that 425. It's gonna need the 8 a.m. crew to do that. Because if it was up to us, it would have already been done. And as I'm saying that, it's just like, oh yeah, let me show you something. Um, I feel
Yeah,
like
that thing was at $13 at one point, man. I think hopefully it goes right where it belongs, man. Let's see, 20 days ago, GOEV was at $13.
you said 20 days ago was at that price.
No, let's do 180 days.
Oh, I was about to say, nah, man, come on.
Yeah, 1360 and one. Oh, it was last year. Yep, November of last year, man. It was at $13.
Hmm. And it just broke that. You see, the minute I spoke about that wall, just broke it wide open.
Yeah, it's gone, man. It's gone. People are seeing the news now. They're getting ready to buy, so orders are being placed. Oh yeah, orders are coming in like heavy.
They're trying to hold it above that 425. I can tell you that much. Mhm. Those, they like collect profits real quick. Look.
Yeah, we bought around three something collecting right now.
Right, they're like, nah. Their hearts is racing. They're like, nah, man. But like I said, man, collect, huh?
Uh, 80
Yeah.
cents for GOEVW.
Hmm.
Yeah, I got that at 53 cents now. I had loads 50, yeah, 53 cents.
Yeah, they really collecting profits like that. Jesus Christ, relax, yeah.
I see 150 for GOVW. Nah, that's just a nice dip, man. It's gonna go right back.
Well, y'all gotta relax, brothers.
Yeah, they getting ready for that 8 a.m.
That's fine if they do that. They should get ready to come and pick me up too. Get right back in there. I just wanted to take something off the table, but the boy don't mind coming right back in there, you know?
What price you trying to get in?
Hmm. I see it's trying to come back to the 409s, 4010s, but
Yeah, the news are coming in now. It's taking orders that's being placed at that price, man. I don't even think people are selling. I think the big people who's buying when you place that big order like that, usually the stock will go down and get them.
oh, you mean like that's why it's like touching 405,
Yeah, yeah.
406?
I think that heavy hitters are coming in now and buying at that price.
Yeah, this thing is gonna touch 5, man.
Yeah, man. It just went down and to collect some orders that was being placed by whoever, who knows.
Sorry about that.
Yeah,
He said, "Who knows?" That place
yeah, who
like
knows,
20,000 shares. My bad, man.
yeah,
I ain't mean that.
60,000, 600,000 shares. It's not gonna, let it slide.
Yeah,
It's
it's
gonna
like
go
nah.
get it. Yeah, it's gonna go get it.
Yeah, it really wants those orders at. Who the hell is trying to sell all of that at 408? The panic crew. They're like, nah. And I'm like, yo, they're gonna take that right up. Look, they ate that big order right up.
Hmm.
Look at 410, another big order. Thank you for playing. Let me eat that too. Oh my god. And that's the thing, like when people are leaving like that, they're like, yo, damn.
I mean, could be people are covering too, man. They probably were gonna short the stocks and find out what's this. Let's see, what's the percentage? It's like how many people went after this stock trying to short it.
I mean,
Because
shorting it.
I think they covering right now. After that news, you have to cover, man.
Yeah, it was like if you were shorting at $4 wherever you was at, it's like nah. Like we playing with fire. It was at 425, then it broke that 425. Now it's like nah. My tummy, what's Histo doing? Yep, Histo is booby trapping people right here. It's like, look, I'm still up here.
There's 100,000 shares available to short. So
100,000 shares available to short on what? GOEV?
yeah,
Just 100,000?
yeah. So that thing is gonna go, man. 48 minutes ago.
That's nothing. I was like, that 100,000, I wouldn't even try, man. Not with Walmart.
They would not try it. And plus, there's not many shares available anyway to short, so that's a
Yeah.
good thing.
HSTO, what you should have did was switch your float with GOEV real quick. Oh, the best thing that GOEV can do right now in the next 20 minutes is a purchasing back their shares. It's the best thing they can do.
Y'all send you this link so you could check it out as
Let me
well.
come back to the screen now.
Yep, only 100,000 shares available.
I got you on the private chat now. Yeah, that's the website I thought you was talking about in general. The Fintel. Let me see. What is this on? GOEV short interest.
Ending market update
If
is
you scroll down a little bit down,
75. Dow
it will
futures
say
down
short shares
200.
availability.
Nasdaq futures positive now of 3.50.
Short
Crude is
interest
down
ratio,
$4.87
8.38
at
days to cover.
99.23. Gold up
The short
$1.70 at
interest
17.33.40.
percent
And
And
float.
you'll see the
Bitcoin
next one that said
600,
short shares availability.
95 at 19,760.
Exchange short volume, 754,000. Exchange short volume ratio, 7. You said where would I see that?
The title is gonna say short availability, short shares availability.
Oh, what I see is, I don't know, maybe it put me on the wrong. What I see is short interest Canute in Class A stock, short squeeze, ball rates.
Yeah, yeah. Scroll down,
Oh, I gotta scroll down. Oh,
scroll down, and you're gonna see the title, short shares availability.
let me stop being lazy. We update our database every 30 minutes, but only display changes in order to prove. 1 day ago, lock. 49 minutes ago, death, 100K. Yeah, people's trying to get in at the 406. Like they know what time it is.
They know. They definitely know, man. So that's a good sign for me. 100,000 shares. It's nothing.
It's probably gonna touch like that float. My God, that float was even half. But because there's nothing to really short like that, like go ahead and short. Who's really gonna want to short? Even if you short a hundred
PEP,
thousand
PepsiCo
shares,
CFO
like
says there could be more price
they
increases
got
coming over the
300 and
course
something
of the
million.
next year.
Like
Papa Echo
that's.
Papa.
I mean, obviously, there's people that were short prior, which is why that's what's remaining. But it's like, where did y'all short at? And I hope you guys shorted at, what you said was their highest price in November, 13.
$13.
Yeah, I hope that's where they did it from. Because if you did that from anything $5 right now, I'd be a little nervous. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Man, I'd wake up and be like, whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, I was up. I mean, I don't know, man. This is looking. The time is ticking, man. 8 a.m. crew is.
Yeah, man. 6 more minutes, we're gonna find out for sure. Um,
Uh,
well, EZFL, man. This thing might take off because there's only I think the float is like 10 million, if I'm not mistaken. I think the float, yeah, I think the float is
yeah,
like 10
11
million,
mil.
11 million.
Yeah. What's the news on it again?
It's
Oh,
about the car and stuff. Let's see, let me go back to it.
today's the day of electric, man. That's all.
Yep, delivery cars, and they added 9 more. They have 31. The project is following brand awareness campaign supported by multiple radio ad banners, 62 billboard location throughout Southeast Florida. Yeah, man. I'm liking the float of that because we just need a little bit of volume to pick that up.
Yeah, right now the volume is on
Yeah,
Weeble 6,000. So I don't
yeah.
know. TD is
Because
the
at one
volume would
point,
have been. I'm sorry, go ahead.
no, I was gonna say at one point that thing was at $5.
Uh, Look at Mullen back to 115, 116 battle. Yeah, man. They were saying like Mullen is like the people they owe money to, or like whoever they're under, whatever they did. But if they can get out of that,
ETOM Peloton shares continuing higher now, $9.34, 42
when he
cents at the
said that, I
opening,
thought he was referring to GeoEV. I was like, what you just said? I broke my neck so hard to go and
announcing
look.
that it is exiting its
Yep,
in-house
8 a.m. crew is
manufacturing
coming, man.
operation.
And people is like, you know what?
That's Papa Tango Oscar November.
They're like, let me get in here.
Yep, GOVE is going for another high.
This thing is gonna go to. It's probably gonna go to $6 today, man.
I want to see more, man. I want GOVW to get to that. I want GOEV to go to like double digit, man. Because I want the warrant to follow that. That would be amazing.
It might, because now it's battling at.
That 420, yeah.
Mhm. Once it wipes out whatever is 423s, like those guys, first of all, stop selling. Or if you're short, I guess you covering. So
Yeah,
you
they
should.
covering, man. 100,000 available to short. I don't think anyone will take that. Not with that kind of news, man. They're gonna wait. Yeah, if they do, the next high up right there is gonna really scare them to get out for sure.
The next high is about to be 470 or something crazy like
Yeah, I want it to be 5, 6 before the market is open, man.
that.
Warrant, you see the warrant is going up, man. 83 cents is
China's
about to
Press
break a
and
new high.
Publication Administration says it approved
Oh my
67
god, that's
domestic
hilarious.
games in July.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. He said, "You don't see it."
Yeah, man, I got like 30 cents already up 30 cents on that one, so I'm good. Chilling right there, just
Geo
letting
EV is trying to be aggressive on the way up right
it
now.
needs to be, man.
2 minutes left, man. Dun dun
We'll
dun
see
dun
what they
dun
do.
dun dun dun. I'm like dun dun dun. Let me modify. Jeez, someone's like, we out of here. Collect. That's good. Collect and leave. To be honest, I'm not gonna even be mad at you.
Yeah, that's a nice. They trying to get the orders for the 8 o'clock crew right there.
8 a.m. crew put in their orders
Hmm.
before they can even actually trade. That's hilarious.
Yep. People buying like 2,000 shares.
And here we
Yeah,
go. It's
three
going
thousand
parabolic
shares.
again.
Yep, there goes the 8.
RDHL,
They
Red
just
Hill
trying to get the
announcing new
orders.
H. pylori and COVID-19 data publication. That's Romeo Delta Hotel Lima, RDHL.
Mullen just did some jumping between 116 and 120.
Yeah, man. That I'm telling you, that thing is definitely a buy to hold on to, man. It's not a joke.
EWTX, Edgewise Therapeutics, now enrolling Canyon Phase 2 clinical trial of EDG.
I think they start delivering
in
cars
individuals with Becker muscular
maybe
dystrophy,
the end
Echo Whiskey
in
Tango
2023, or is
X-ray.
it 2024? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some of that and hold on to them, man. It's
Let's go 8 a.m. The time now.
JZXN, Jushi Holdings, to expand franchise business and become regional sole distributor of iWays Auto in Guangxi, China. That's Juliet Zulu X-ray November.
yeah, man. Mullen, I got some of that to hold on to.
I just heard it.
MX
All I heard was
signing of strategic
I was like, my
platform
man is
license.
working.
Michael
When
X-ray
you hear that
Charlie
sound,
Tango.
there's business moves being made. Yeah, I'm done. There's the comments.
PANW, Palo Alto Networks, and
Gambling and
HCL
addiction,
Technologies
y'all.
announced expanded relationship.
Nah, we don't gamble on that one, man. There's a pattern.
Look, pull out meow.
Pull out now.
Global customers.
I'm not pulling out of nothing, man.
Whiskey.
I need this to this
ELUG plus
this is gonna
Secure
at
Five
least
Next
attempt.
electrolyzer sale to leading Canadian energy company Urban Oil. That's
I think what it is like people are looking at
ELUG.
The float, right?
Apollima Uniform Golf.
It's the float that's like,
Discovery Capital.
if this didn't even have float like that, man, trust me,
Directors,
that thing would have
Airlines,
already.
regarding
Yeah, we
proposed
would
merger
probably
with
see double
Frontier.
digit, man. After
Discovery
paying
urged
that,
board of directors
that's why.
to change record
Good morning,
date of
boss.
special meeting to allow all outstanding shares to
Much
be
love,
voted.
man. You should get in, man. I'm telling you, it's not gambling at all, man.
Oh, because I have my screen on the other stock. I'm not even on GOEV. I was on Mullen. That's why look at GOEV. Look, go right back up.
Yeah, GOV. It's not. There's no gamble on that one, man. There's just a pattern, man.
LGMK, larger
You're
market.
trying to
issues
sell at
recommend
what price?
shareholders vote in favor
I have
of
it at
upcoming
$6.
annual meeting proxy proposals to continue positive momentum.
Come
Well,
pick me.
You might be the one pushing the stocks up like that, man.
Well-
Whoa, look at that.
Come and
8
get
a.m.
me.
8 a.m. is coming in strong.
AM is like, come here.
Yo,
And we just broke a new high again.
check out GOEVW though, man. 86 just broke a new high as well.
Yeah, because they're gonna. I typed in the same ticker without the W.
Yeah, just put the W next to it.
Yeah, man.
It's looking
Weeble
sweet,
is
man.
cruel in this way.
It's looking sweet, man. That one is moving so smooth.
ZIMV,
And the
ZIMV
volume is picking
announcing
up.
So smooth, man.
positive policy decision from Anthem for interior vertebral body tethering, expanding coverage to 30 plus million lives. That's Zulu India Michael Victor.
Broke a new high, 90 cents, man.
Mhm.
And I'm seeing $1.45 standing up, man. It's just like, yeah, it's moving.
And if that's moving, that's in anticipation of
GOUV.
ANMD in mode. Out with some guidance. India November Michael Delta. That expects Record second quarter financial results, revenue between
Yeah, that's me pushing up
113
that
to
price, man. Let's go.
113.3 million,
They're like,
increasing
yo, who the
full
hell's
year
trying to sell at 6?
22 revenue guidance to 425 to 435 million. Sees Q2 non-GAAP earnings of 57 to 58 cents.
8 a.m. crew. Now
That's
every broker should be open by now. So now it's like, okay.
They need to, man. They definitely have to. It's a must. They're like, we're gonna jump somewhere else.
Citizen File says on July 11th, company participated in a Type B meeting with the FDA. San Diego, semi-November. AUVI applied UV granted patents for device sterilizing ATM surfaces. That's Alpha Uniform Victor India.
Alpha Uniform India Victor.
We need to break the highs and stay above the highs. It's like every time we break that high, profit.
Yo, what was the last stock this guy mentioned? Alpha Uniform
Hold on.
India.
Let me see if I can see it.
David. Because it's saying they get a new patent for something, man. Because usually this thing's something positive. Yo, HSTO, man.
It's still doing bullshit.
592. Took a nice dip though. It's on the way back up.
CYBN, Clinical Labs drug development begins enrollment for phase 1/2A trial evaluating CYB003 to treat major depressive disorder. Charlie Yankee Bravo, November.
Big buy order at 411.
Mulan, MULN, there's an order for $3.
I believe it.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna just sit on that one, man. Just so I don't look into it, man. I think I'm gonna send it to my kid's account, man.
BYRN, Burnett Technologies, reiterates full year revenue guidance of $55 to $60 million.
Yeah, I'm seeing orders at 414.
That's versus the $54.6 million estimate for Bravo Yankee Romeo November.
There it is. 415. I see an order for $6
On which one?
On GeoEV.
Oh yeah, I see it too.
What the hell?
Yeah, man, it's coming. I see 145 for the Warren. So sitting good, man. That's some good stuff to look at. Today's good, man. Today's just like go enjoy the rest of your day. Check it from lunchtime. So that way you don't get out too early, man. That's how I'm seeing it. I'm not trying to get out too early on this joints.
Where just put your little protection in there.
Yep.
And move on.
If it drop below that, get me out. But in the meantime, I ain't checking up on you at all.
Yeah, that $6 order is sitting right there. That thing is not moving.
Yeah, the one just took a nice dip to 75, so it's a nice little entrance right there.
Let me look at HT HTSO just did some ridiculousness, man. Thing dropped.
CDXR, City of
HSCO?
Yeah, it
Pharmaceuticals,
dropped to
all
like
pre-BLA with the FDA
394.
for
No, I lied.
ion
380
the
something.
treatment of cutaneous
And then it jumped right back
T-cell
up. You know
lymphoma.
how I do that little up, down, up,
That's
down, up, down. You know, that 8 a.m.
Charlie
cruise.
Tango X-ray Romeo, CTXR.
That's funny. Like every game, all the gains that it had, it just gave it all back in that moment. They lucky I didn't put an order for that too. And
Yeah, but it came right back up though.
so it probably wouldn't have picked up my order anyway. Yeah, that $6 order is just sitting there baiting people. A lot of people's buying in at that 411, man. I wonder
Yeah,
what it is.
they know, man. I'm
Like,
telling you, that thing is dropping to collect orders. That's it. Yeah, people are just buying, man. They're loading up, taking profit and loading because well, it's like 100. Let me check it again to see what they say. How many shares
Neo
available?
Indonesia Energy shares off the highs now. Company announced potential natural gas reservoir during current
Yeah,
drilling of
people are not shorting that
28
joint,
oil
man.
production well.
They're not touching
That's
that.
India November Delta Oscar.
let me play some good music in the background, man.
Huh?
They recently, one thing on this software that I'm using is, hold on. Oh no, I'm hip. Let me know when y'all actually invest rather than pop and drop. Hit me up, Prada. I'm home all day. Don't say something like that, man. I gotta take my dog to the vet. So if I didn't have to
Yo,
do that,
we trying to collect our money, man.
right,
Investing is just sometimes you have to sit down and wait. We're not trying to wait, man.
one day, give me my 10 grand one day, and then I can go and enjoy
Yeah,
myself.
that's it, man.
Yeah, that $6 order is sitting there
Yeah, it's waiting, man.
just teasing. And again, man, they keep that 411, 410, they racking up in that area, man. They're not even trying to hear nothing about nothing right now. They're like, oh, there it is. That thing, what I want it to do is once it goes up there and it breaks, it needs to stay up there. I don't want it to come back down to previous. I know it wants to
Well,
pick up.
it might take a dip to 5 if we collect that $6.
Oh no, absolutely. No,
ECB
that I don't care about.
spokesperson says we can confirm.
What I
there
mean is
was
like you see
a
like the last high was
attempted cyber
425.
incident involving-
Then the new high was
involving,
431, but it keeps
President
going back
This
down.
incident was identified
So like,
and halted
you know,
quickly.
I know it wants to pick up the orders, but hey, don't pick no one up. They gotta buy where it's at.
What's the float on that one? Because it's like 15 million shares already traded.
On who? GOEV?
Yeah.
I think it's like 189 million. 189 million.
Oh man. Okay. Well, I mean, there's not much available to short, so people are gonna be buying in, man. We want more buyers to come in. Yeah, you really set your orders for $6, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, do that. Because if you see that big $4,000 order, is gonna trying to go get it. I'm loving that 6, man.
I'm like, I gotta do it for everyone out there like us, man. That's just trying to earn a living out here.
For real, man.
I'm so serious. Yeah, that's right. Go up. Everyone is looking for it to go below 411. It's not doing it. It's like, okay, we're gonna keep adding. There's not enough people saying now 418 looks like it wants to be the next wall.
What is coming in now?
Yeah, 418 was a wall and they ate that alive and took a little dip back, but now look,
Yeah,
417.
it's about to take it. Orders are coming in now.
Come pick me up at 6, Scotty. I hope it just
But
does the
but that
ultimate.
big drop to like below 394 was crazy. That's scary.
Yeah, on that
Saw it?
histo, that
Yeah,
HSTO.
yeah. What you're looking at right now, you see that
Mhm.
big red line?
That's what I said. You know, it's funny. I was looking. I was like, oh, what was the? I was like, oh, it went as low as 371. I said, oh, I should put in an order for like 385 in my head somewhere. But I was like, there's no way it's not coming back to do that,
Yeah,
and
it did it, man.
it did it.
It grabbed something from down there for sure.
But I've done it before. I mean, people probably collecting profit too. Like whoever the hell was in there yesterday anticipating this. Here we go, back at 418. Hey man, come pick up the $6, man. I see it now. The latest order I see is 423.
I'm loving the float though for sure. Like
That's why people's look the past 3 trading days, man. Look, first it was UC, right? USEA, a
hmm
float of like 1 million. Then there was the one yesterday, KSPN, again 1 million float. Then there was and then there's this today, two, because you did a reverse split by 20 and you only have 2 million shares. Like how many shares was available? You
yeah,
know,
that thing is gonna go, man. It's definitely we might see a good amount. I'm
yeah, I'll
surprised you didn't get that, man. But
I'm like, I wasn't even watching. I stopped paying attention to it. I saw it, but I was like, yeah, something. And it was like, oh, put in an order for like 380 something, and just took it right back up here. You're lucky I didn't do it because I definitely would have collected immediately. I wouldn't even. I would have looked at it and been like, goodbye, thank you. Yeah, now 415 is the new stronghold here for GOEV. Damn, if I'm
yeah,
looking right on TD Ameritrade right now, I see it's like 394 in that 398 in that buy in the bid. What number is that exactly?
where you see 398, I see 413.
415, I see 407 now. Well, I do have this other laptop running off Wi-Fi, and the one that I'm streaming off of and everything is Ethernet. So maybe there's like a little.
Yeah, the lowest I'm seeing is 413.
No, no, yeah, no, yeah, absolutely. No, what I was saying is, you see where it says 415 to the left, in the bid size,
hmm
it said like 396. So what number is that exactly? Because I know you said on TD, if it just said six, that'd be like what? Um, 600. If it was 60, then that's 6,000. But if it's triple digits, then that order technically was what, like 39,000 something shares?
Yeah, and people might be putting those numbers in, man. So just like you're attracting that $6, that $4,000,
Yeah.
this could be yours right here, sitting there too, man. You know that, right?
Oh, I have no idea. They
You
just need
see
to
that
come and
six
get it.
dollars just sitting there on
Yeah.
level two?
Yeah.
It might be your order sitting there as well. Try to cancel it and then we put it back.
You said cancel it, put it back.
Yeah, cancel it. Let's see if your the six is gonna remove.
Canceled.
All right, let's give it a second. Let's see.
Because it was removed before. I don't know what happened.
INDO, Indonesia Energy Corporation, continuing to spike here.
No, that six is still there. That's not even me, man.
Yeah, that
Reported
six
they
is still there, so it's
discovered
not
potential
you.
natural gas reservoir during current
It's
drilling
others
of
like me with hopes and
28
ambitions.
oil production well. Shares moving above the 730 level, up 26% and rising above the 750 level for India November Delta Oscar INDO.
Oh no, not INDO again.
Again, I know. Holy shit!
That thing been on the radar, man. They put that on the news like days ago. And people, and the float is 1 million. So this thing, remember, it went from $2 to 82, like in a few weeks. People are not trying to miss that boat again, man. And I saw the news on that, but I was like, oh, it's not moving that day. And then it moved the next day. It's been sitting around 582 for days. That's the thing, though. We trade day by day, man. We don't. Let me see. 615.
Yeah, that thing's trying to go back up there to like $80 again, man. So what we
I wish it
doing?
would. I wish it would.
What we doing?
I'm in there this time. Trust me, I didn't see it the first time at all. I wasn't even. It wasn't even on my radar, my brother.
But this
Not
is
this
where
time.
it is right there, man. Let's see it. I'm gonna do a 5-day chart. See what, man. It's already booked the high that I wanted it at 668, man. I'm gonna get it at 680. If you drop down to 680, I'm down, man. 680, I'm in.
Yeah, people aren't playing with this shit. They're like, oh no, not again.
Yeah, 680, I'm in, man.
Geo EV, man, it's not your fault, man. The problem is that your float is ridiculous.
Ridiculous, man. They need to buy back for sure, but
They better not drop that news. They do that.
but it is the beauty of it, man. Not a lot of shares available to short, so I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
I'm hoping
And
like
these-
Walmart pick up like 100 million
Worldwide
shares.
Clinical Trials enters into strategic collaboration with Invitae
Damn, that what at
accelerate
416?
clinical
Who's
trials for
selling
rare
30,000
disease
shares
agents.
right now? Come on, boss.
That's
I
November,
gotta
Victor,
relax over there,
Tango
man.
Alpha and VTA.
Damn, IND already hit $8, man. Like,
Mm-hmm.
what is going on, man? And what's the float on that one? Still 1 million. Dude, they have a target price of $11.
And people is gonna go for it, bro. They're not missing out.
Yeah, they have a target price of $11, and I'm seeing 15. There's a $15 order waiting. Yeah, someone trying to. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get some of that, man. But I wanted 6. I wanted around 6, man. If it doesn't drop to 6, I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm not buying that in double digit. Even though it might go back to like $80, you'd be like, oh man, I should have grabbed some at 7. I should have grabbed that at $7. Don't want to miss out on 816. That thing is taking off, man. I need a drop. Give me a drop. I need a drop. Yo, your percentage is going up now.
Yeah, off of previous. Endo, you better stop it, man. Behave yourself.
Yeah, man. I need it to go back down to 680.
This
Yo,
thing was
it's
at
not
$6.
stopping, man.
This thing was at 6. And that's because the
It's not.
fair missing out on this one is too crucial.
It's not stopping, man. 840. Holy fucking shit. Come on.
That's that FOMO.
Yeah.
You
Yo,
drew in yet?
you see that line though? See that VWAP? Straight up.
Hmm? VWAP needs to.
Yeah, I
Yes,
ain't chasing that. You could come back. When you come back, I'll grab you. But as of right now, I'm not. I don't feel like I'm missing out, man.
Right. If you buy right there, plummet.
Yeah, that's definitely a chase right there. People will be chasing it at that point. I mean, they might be not, man, because $80.
That's what
Couple
that's
months
what
ago.
people remember. That's all people are thinking about right now.
And then with that kind of news coming in, so come on, 680. That's all I want. I don't want much.
You already put your order in there, that's fine.
680, bro. That's all I want.
He said that's all I wanted for Christmas. Where's 680 even at? Where are you even looking to get in? Oh, I see.
Yeah, I know it broke that high from this morning. And then even $7, man. If it dropped down to 7, I'll take it. Damn.
You say I mean, the RSI is at like 79. It's gonna have to cool off
Yeah.
at some point. People are gonna collect. They looking at it like, oh, $80, remember?
Yeah, I'll wait till like 9:30 for that one. It's moving way too fast for me, man. Way too fast, man.
Uh,
My early days, I would want to jump in right there. Boop,
yep. And then the minute you
820.
do it, and then look, 820, and then here's the lesson. This is why, like you said, you go through shit to learn.
Yeah, to learn it.
And
I'm
then,
still seeing 602. So if you take that dip to 602, that would be lovely too, man.
oh my
Take
God, I'm
that.
in there. That's
Yeah,
because that was
I'm in
even
there too.
before. That's even before the break. It would be crazy if it gave all those gains back. That'd be I'm right back in there. And whoever's at the top, they waiting for people to save them.
Come on, GOVE, a flop, man. Can we do some buyback or something, man?
I collected on it again. Someone placed like a heavy order. I was just like, let me collect and let me come back in. I collected twice on this thing already. So I'm
That's
like,
what's up, man. That's exactly how you add up, man.
because I'm like, this thing keeps doing this game where it wants to see. Now I see an order at 408. Look, see, it keeps playing. Well, 410 is holding strong right now.
Yeah, it is. Really
But
holding strong for sure.
what's that, like 43,000 shares there?
I see 209, so that's like over 200,000.
Oh, that's what the triple digits mean? That's just
Yeah, I think so.
403,000? Look,
Yeah, 100,000.
447,000?
Yeah.
Look at that shit. Look, 409,000. Nah, I collected. So you know what? I'm Indo is on in my face in front of me, and then GOEV is on the side of me, and then I have NSTO on my phone. That's hilarious.
Yeah,
I
that thing
want.
is going to 9 right now. It's not taking anything below 8 at this point.
It took a dip somewhere.
Yeah, it took a
Oh,
dip right above $8,
795.
man. If that candlesticks turn red, then I'll be okay. It's going down for like, but
I mean, if it
there's
does drop, where
so
am I willing to get in at?
760, man.
Yeah, that's because
That's
I'm
the
looking.
highest I'll take. 761, 760.
Yeah, because you're looking at the bottom of these two candles right
Mm-hmm.
here. Yeah. Oh man,
But
said.
it doesn't look like it, man. That thing is going to 9, 10, 11. Target price is $11. And I'm
No,
hoping
it's
like
gonna be a
more
pullback,
people
but
collect and then drop it back down to like 6, man.
no, there's gonna be a pullback, man. Trust me. Right here.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
makes
it's gotta
people
be a
nervous.
pullback, right?
Right here for you. I put the line there for you, man. 765. That's what you
Nah,
want.
it's going. There you go. Shit is gone. It is gone, man.
I put the line there for you,
There
man.
goes there's a $15 order just sitting there, man.
I see it with 100.
Yep, people are not. Yep, there's $10 coming. Yep, that thing is not seeing. Yeah, it's all good. It's all
Can't get
good. It's all
everything.
good.
We
Yeah,
got
it's all good.
GOEV. So
Yeah,
if you
I'm sitting on GOEBE, just sitting there, 84 cents.
now it's time to go to my watch list. Indo, I'm gonna add you to the watch list. Because Indo's float is just so people is not trying to miss out this time. They're like, not
Yeah,
this
they're not
time.
trying to miss out, man. That's
That fear
exactly
of
what's
missing out
happening.
is crazy.
That's
That
exactly
15.
what's happening, man. They're like, we missed last time $80. Look, it's gonna hit $9 right now.
Now hold on, let me call the CEO.
Yeah, it's like, yo, put me in for some shit below $6, please.
Right now. It's gonna drop because I said so. It's gonna drop a whole dollar and fly right back up. So let me get my order ready. What's the latest high? 870. Put my order in for 780 right now.
Oh, 943 is the next stop, man.
It's coming back to get me. Don't worry. Let me show you.
920 is the next stop, man.
It's coming for me. Don't worry. Listen right now. I told you, man. I just spoke to someone, man. It's gonna do.
920 is the next stop.
It's gonna do that. It's gonna do that hard flush.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Where is it? 6 to 8 to 9, 6 to 9.
Okay, there you go. So, nope. Come on. Nope. It's going for 9.
It's not going for 9 without me, brother.
Yeah, if this candlesticks hit the new high, it's gonna take a nice little run up, man.
I got you. You
Um,
see that? I put that there for you, man. It's gonna come get me. 2 million shares at 780. Could you imagine?
that's what you put in, or
2 million shares, man. It's gonna come and get me. It's like, what's that?
oh man, oh you trying to get at 780? Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
man, that thing is not, man. It's gonna make you push for a little higher than that.
Nah, man. I made the phone call already. I told you.
Yo, if it was 20,000 shares, possibility, but
Yeah, like for your measly.
for the 2,000 order, we're gonna ignore that and keep
Oh
going.
yeah, look at this. Watch this right here. And I wanted to do that little up down, up down, up down.
It's gonna hit 9. Watch.
1 million. What's shortable? How many shares are shortable on this? Because you could definitely short it. I saw the option. Wait, let me make sure. Yeah, you could short it, and the bar rate right now is zilch. Oh, the bar rate is 114%, but that don't stop nobody.
Yeah, that'll stop a lot of people, man. How many shares available to short?
I didn't even check that. I just looked on my phone to see. Hold on, let me go back to the site.
I mean, the float is amazing to look at, but
I'm like, where did I have the website? I'm like, oh, it's here. Search here. Indo. Imagine it says like 600,000 shares available. I'd be like, nah, man.
yeah, I mean they kicking. They got everybody to go in and then hold in that bag real quick.
SEC filings. Why are you showing me SEC filings?
Bro,
Let me see.
GOEV have no more shorts available to short.
No more.
No more.
What tab are you going under? The short interest tab?
I went to the short availability. It's the website I sent you, Pentel.
Yeah. So I put in the Indo. It put me on the main page, which is showing me like the SEC filings and stuff. I'm just trying to see where I get the short information. Let me see. Short interest, short transactions. Is that what I'm looking for here? No. Yes. I don't see anything here. Short interest. Okay, yeah, that's where I see it. As of right now, 51 minutes ago, there's only 90,000 shares you can short. Yeah, that's why Indo does what Indo does, man. There's 90,000 shares. Like, who's risking that? My order is right there. I need you to just boop, 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 boop. I just left it there. Join me at the 780. I'm about to put a whole group chat like, hey man, everybody.
Yeah, if GOVE took a dip for, I think the short probably gonna cover around like 3 something, or even, and then that thing's gonna come back right back up, man. That's what I want to happen. $6 is still sitting there, so I
It's
doubt
holding
it.
strong.
They ain't touching that.
I see an order for 405 on there. Let me see.
Yep, that's the lowest. Still in the $4. I'm good, man. When I start seeing those lower numbers like 3-2, like what are you guys trying to do?
At VST, Navitas acquires VDD Tech to expand high-power next-gen semiconductor capabilities. Terms not disclosed for November Victor Tango Sandy NVTS.
Come pick me up, Scotty. 402 is showing up. Yeah, man. These traders have no spine, man. I would have saw that $6 order there. I wouldn't be trying nothing, no type of selling. Hold.
Yeah, they ain't trying nothing.
Then they're like, nah, man. Look, 403. I see 402 incoming. 399, the lowest now. tread lightly, Skywalker. Now I know we got in early, but you know.
Yeah, it's taking that nice dip, man. They're gonna cover soon, man.
Right before that bell open, they're gonna
Mhm.
cover
9 o'clock gonna come in. Gonna come right back up.
396. Look at me. As I see that, I'm like, you know what? Let me join you guys. That's where you want to go? Let me join you.
Oh, you talking about you trying to get in again?
Let me join y'all. Y'all want to go down there? 396. Okay.
Yeah, Endo's not going below 8, man.
Now
And
my order's
from
gonna
what I'm
follow it.
seeing, yeah, I want. Yeah, if it does, damn, I would want to $8, man. I don't know, man. We might see a double bottom at 8 too. It might touch the $8 again. There you go. It's going.
It's going where?
Endo's
Oh.
going for
9.
taking a nice dip. Nope, it's going down.
It's time to update my order.
Yeah, I see 2 orders for 629. If that, shoo.
Place
Don't be
another
bad.
order for GOV. Come get this dip. You want to dip down? Come get this one.
Get this dip.
Come get this dip right here. You got the chips. I got the dip. You know what I mean? Let me. They recently updated the software that I'm using, which I always wondered why they didn't even allow me to do this, because I can have background music, but I was like, it sucks that you can't upload your own music. And then now, like 2 days ago, update.
Yeah, man.
Gotta make that money. Gotta make
Oh,
that
yeah.
money. If it's one thing
I mean?
you need to know, it's how to make the money grow. This is worldwide. Gotta make that money. If it's one thing you need to know, it's how to make the money grow. I need more
Oh, yeah.
not short money, so I can buy anything I wanna. Paying bills with the strain on my face, from paycheck to paycheck, it's nothing but a headache. I have a job, yeah, just over broke.
NASDAQ
Just got
futures
paid and I'm
continuing
still
higher.
running low. I need the cheddar, I want the paper, I need the cream, now not later. I like the way it looks, I like the way it feels, I like the way it spins, I've got to keep it real. Ain't nothing like the Benjamins, it answers all things in this life, my friend. Puff said, more money, more problems. I say, having money just solved it. Get paid, and you'll have more options. Not paid, no longer want this problem. Gotta make that money. Gotta make that money. If it's one thing you need to know, it's how to make the money grow. Gotta make that money.
That's the intro
Gotta
music
make
now.
that money. If it's one
Yo,
thing you
GOEV, take the dip, man.
I know it's coming for me. My apologies, man. 30,000
What
share
place
order,
you
man.
got in?
What the hell did I put? Hold on.
Rap when it's cold in the polar bear mint. Go get the dead presidents, I must.
Is the music too loud? Like you can still hear me clear?
I can hear you.
Diamonds in my cuff.
You want me to lower the music a little bit? I want to make sure you good.
No, you good, man. I can hear you. Everything you're saying.
Like the way it spins, I've got to keep it real. Ain't nothing like the Benjamins. It answers all things in this life, my friend. Where's my piece of the pie? So I can try something 45.
What am I
Tilt
doing?
my head up and see the sky. Looking all good in my ride. Gotta make that money. Gotta make that money.
It's coming for me right
It's
here.
one thing you need to know. It's how to make the money grow. Gotta make that money.
And I even see it order at 390. People are starting to, the shorts are getting confident. Man, this thing dipped temporarily to like 362, man.
Yeah, they're gonna cover.
Stop breathing. I want a chance to bring
I think they're trying to have it go to 362, but I'm like, nah, I'll go in 20 cents higher than that.
Pay my debts off.
They trying to do 295.
Splurge in the malls. Buy what I be wanting. You got a dime, put a smile on his face.
394 is trying to fight back. They're like, let's cover at 394. We made 20 cents.
Wanna get paid. said it's okay.
Hey man,
Just don't love the money.
don't send me. Don't tell me you updating stuff and my music freezing, man. Oh, man. Let me play something else. Something nice and calm. Let me see what this candle does here. Because if it finds somewhere to hold its ground, it's gonna. Yeah, but I see orders for 380 now. At least on the Webull L2. Yeah, I see orders for 380 is the lowest, followed by 393. I have an order in at 382. I'm telling you, man, people are spineless. Those 90,000 shares has people doing that. Come on, man. Look at the sell on 393.97. Look at that. Look, now I see the 380 on TD as well now.
Well, if if you do 180 day and find out the book out thing, you'll see like the trying to break that 404, man.
What, the GOEV?
Yeah.
You said that's what it was trying to do until
No, I
today.
think that's what it's trying to do, to go back to where it belongs, man. 12.4. Yeah, if you do 180 day chart, you'll see. Yeah, there's orders for $4 sitting strong too. So
Yeah, they wanna that $3.99 though. It's like, come on, y'all. Like, don't panic. Don't worry. I understand, but if that's the way you felt, you should have left a while ago. This is not the time to do it, man. What did it dip down to?
I think they just collected, man.
It went down to 393. I'm about to remove my $3.80.
$4 is coming in right now. Oh, it might take another dip to 380 because it's not taking that 4 at all.
Yeah, it's like the 380 is a little.
Yeah, 399 is just stuck right there. Oh, there you go. Finally.
That's a nice little staircase, though.
Yeah, finally. Well, 9 o'clock needs to come through. Let's see what it.
Endo, you ain't pick up my order yet, man. What's wrong with you?
And they're trying to go down to 8.
Yeah, it's trying to come get me, man. Told you. Didn't I tell you, man? I got you, man. Come join me right here. The 780 mark. Come join me right here. I got you. That's $2 above what it closed, but you know what? Let me try to bring it down lower for everybody.
Yeah, that's too high for me, man.
Let me bring it down. I brought it down to 690.
I'll get it around I see orders for 629. Maybe I'll do 675, man.
Right. That's what I'm saying. I'm willing to risk the 675 to the. And look at your boy. Look at your boy GOVE. That thing didn't come pick me up at 380 at all, man.
Yep. Went to go get some people's. Oh yeah, they just dropped the news again, man. So they trying to remind you this is what we about.
GOVE, man, come pick me up, man. Come on, man. I'm at 380, man.
Yeah, I wanted to go to 6 so I could say that thing is gone, vanished. Come on, new high. We need that new high, man. This is a good way right there. It's about to break 415. Even 420 is a nice little breakout right there. But the nice breakout will be like 432,
That's what it needs to do.
433. Then you know we got something.
And here comes the
Yep, 420 breakout, 433. Yo, that $6 is still sitting there.
That's not even me, man.
That wasn't you.
I left. See, I don't like that crap, man. Keep going. I'm not in it anymore, but my blood is. Give him his payday, man. And where am I at? Indo, you not coming to get me, man?
No, it looks like it.
Indo's looking like, I don't know. Do I really want to do this? Indo, what you trying to do if I get in here?
It goes right back, man. I think there's gonna be a morning panic on that one for sure. So I would wait.
Yeah, that's I put my order at 690. I'm willing to. I might. Matter of fact, what time is it now? 8:45. Yeah.
Yeah, morning panic, man. I'll wait for morning panic.
I gotta put all these. Wait, first of all, how about I look at? Not that I'm in this anymore, but where is this thing? KSPN. Wow, it finally dropped below 6. People are devastated. Whoever was hoping for. But look at that. 6.
ITRI, Itron, says collaborating with Sevier County Utility District, employ companies AMI Essentials for gas, including 15,000 Itron cellular 500G gas modules. That's India, Tango, Romeo, India. EBFM, Evofem Biosciences announced the Journal of Therapeutic Advances in Reproductive Health has published FEXI mechanism of action article. That's Echo Victor Foxtrot Michael. EBFM. EOLS, Evolus successfully completes patient enrollment in phase 2 clinical study evaluating extra strength dose of Jovu, that's Echo Oscar Lima Sandy, EOLS.
I wonder how many shares is available to short now.
I'm laughing at the person who said gambling addiction.
Oh, yeah, my
They
God.
think it's a gamble, man. It's really not. Once you're set up, man, you know what you're doing. Once you know what you're doing, man, it's not a gamble anymore.
Right. It's strategic investing.
Yeah, man. There's a lot that comes to it, man.
We update our database every 30 minutes. All right. So as of right now, GeoEV still has no shares available. So what are they waiting for? That's probably what made it jump that high. It was like, all right, it's not going no higher than this.
Yeah, they can't short it, so leave it.
Yeah, these people are funny, man.
Endo, man.
It came back
Yep.
for me.
Nah, we're going back up.
You said what? Nah, man. This is crazy. This PLRX, man. The fact that this thing is even still up. Let me talk to my people on here real quick, man.
Yeah, that thing is going back.
I can't believe this thing is still PLRX. You play around enough, and I'll come make profit on you while you do that bullshit that you're about to do.
Yeah, looks like it's gonna drop.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely gonna wait like a good solid anything. I'm gonna wait for the huge drop, but where I'm gonna want to jump in is when they're covering. Like people are just gonna want to cover once they feel satisfied, and once that happens, that's why I'm gonna jump in and
How
try to
many shares available to trade for?
you know, 32 million shares only. I mean, they're adding about a little over 11 million shares to the float.
Nah, Endo is where it is, man.
Mhm.
You hear the news? That thing's gonna
Coming
go
up at
back to 80 bucks.
8:55,
Man.
Redbook.
See, if I was in at the $6 range, and I would literally say, you know what? Let me put in a little protection shield at $7. As long as it doesn't touch that 7, I'll secure profits for $1. You know what I'm saying? Like
Mm-hmm.
I would have did something like that. So if it shoots up 20 and I see that, I'm here. If it doesn't, then yeah, but Endo is probably taking love from a lot of things, man. Geo EV, as much as I love you, I should have jumped in right there on that 393 for this little profit right here. But now you're like barcoding in this area. I hope you just take off because there's a $6 order waiting for you.
Yeah, there's 417 and
then you see what I'm saying? Like, look at these cowards, man. Hey, man, stop doing that, man.
man, that 828, man, is
It's tempting
Endo
you.
needs to go. Yeah, no, I ain't tempting on that one. Too high. Too high for
Like,
me,
what's it
man.
doing? It's tempting you.
Yeah, no, I need something less than that, man. It's to take a drop down right in the middle between 7 and 8. I'll do that.
The 765. Yeah, Endo started to go back up after this little what is it? 801. Even $8 may have been, but yeah, this thing closes at 582. That's a huge margin for error. Like, unless I would have took a position on like 200 shares or something where I'm like, all right,
Yeah, EZFL just dropped another news again to remind people what's happening. So I'm surprised that thing is not taking off.
I'm like, what has the best news? What's the news on Indo? I think GOEV so far is
No, the
definitely.
news on Endo is really good, bro. Natural gas, they still drilling, even though that's bad for Earth itself. But
Redbook US retail sales first week of July plus 13% versus July a week ago, plus 13% for the week ending July 9th versus a year ago.
Yeah, Indo is forcing my hand. Like Indo is like, you gotta wait till the market opens.
yeah, I'm gonna wait, man. I want to drop something, but at this point, I ain't
One
fucking.
and 1 million shares. That's, I mean, 90,000 shares available to short. GOEV. It sucks that in the pre-market, those orders that we were talking about earlier to like guarantee some profit doesn't kick in.
GOVE just about to
Mm-hmm.
dip up to 422. Come on, hit that five already, man. What's up?
It's going though. I see a lot of buy orders coming in.
Yep, 426.
Look. People can't help themselves, bro.
I guess it's taking them orders, man. It's taking them orders. Come right back up.
They can't help themselves. GOEV has the best news. Oh, look at Indo. You getting your wish, brother.
That's between 7 and 8. Yep, below. There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
Look,
Keep
I switched
going.
over to my entire mobile device. What
Keep
order do
going.
I currently have pending? Yeah, let me cancel all of this, man. So this is what I need to do. I need to have what the hell am I looking at? Mm,
EQOS,
AQOS.
Digiball becomes first custody partner of PoundToken.io, first British Isles regulated 100% backed GPB stablecoin. That's Echo Quebec Oscar Sandy, EQOS.
612 volume only. 612 shares. Back to Indo I go. I'll check on you later. Indo and GOEV. That's what I'm looking at here. about to be like, babe, go take the dog to the vet.
What orders are you in right now?
I'm not in anything.
No.
World Health Organization issues report
Yeah,
on
I
pipeline
tried
of
to get
vaccines
in
and
on
development to prevent infections caused
GOEV
by
at
antimicrobial
380 something.
resistant
And I
bacterial
went to look at
pathogens.
something else. It did hit the
Analysis
390
points to the
somewhere,
need to
but
accelerate trials for
because I would have slid it right up.
antimicrobial
Then you
good,
man.
bacterial, antimicrobial
You
resistant
got things to
related
do.
vaccines in late stage
At this
development.
point, if I were you, I would
maximize
just watch,
the
man.
use
You're
of
not missing out on anything,
vaccines.
man. That's the fear
Another
of
press
missing out.
release, WHO Science Council.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, I got
experts
30 minutes to spare.
For equitable expansion of genomics.
Because I gotta
Report
walk
argues
him.
it's
I
not
gotta take a
justifiable
sample of his
ethically or
feces.
scientifically for less resource countries to gain
Like, I'm a
access
dog, man.
to such
Yeah, man, they
technologies
say
long
it's
after
the dog food. I
rich
mean,
countries do.
the food that you give them, you know, those dog food and stuff.
Mm.
That's what's giving them those. Because dogs don't need doctors, man. They connect with nature. They know
MDT,
what-
Medtronic announcing co-promotion agreement with
Yeah.
CatWorks with
When people
Pet
sitting there
towards
like, I'm gonna give you ice
acquisition.
cream. I'm like, what?
That's Michael Del
Now, when you start
Domingo.
giving them the food that they provided, like the dog food,
Yeah.
that's what created those
NETI
diseases,
and
man.
Netting announcing purchase
Or
of
It's all part of the thing,
shares
so
by
that way you
Scorpio
could go to the
Holdings,
doctor and create. It's all a circle thing.
153,825.
They're trying to make it be, man. Animals don't need doctors, man. They connect with nature. They know how to take care of themselves, man.
Average price of
That's true.
$5.25 per share. That's the member Echo Tango India.
All these dog foods are connected to the vet, man.
Endo is where you want it. It's 788, and it's like
Yep, it's trying, man.
BHAT, Blue Hat Interactive Entertainment announcing registered
man.
direct offering of
What
ordinary
order is it
shares.
trying to pick up?
That's
There's a
Bravo Hotel Alpha
742
Tango.
order on there, man.
Yeah, I'm loving where it's trying to go.
Full sale of 1 million shares with accredited investors, $3.60 per share. That's BHAT shares hitting a high of $3.16, closed at $2.70. Again, that offering, that purchased by two accredited investors for $3.60 per share above the current price. That's Bravo Hotel Alpha Tango, BHAT. RGEN, Regeneron, Ultima Genomics signs development agreement with Regeneron aimed at driving the scale of genomic information for drug discovery and development. That's Romeo Echo Golf November.
GeoEV is playing games.
Yeah, 9 o'clock is quiet.
They're playing games. Or they're waiting for.
FUL, H.B. Fuller announced strategic partnership in North America with Enemac. That's Foxtrot Uniform Lima. XPOF, Exponential Fitness Club Pilates signs master franchise agreement in the UK. That's X-Ray Papa Oscar Foxtrot.
What's HSTO doing? We haven't checked on that in a while. HSTO is just playing this. I'm gonna create bag holders today, but it also has a low float. Let me adjust my watch list.
RAV, Rave Restaurant Group, the NASDAQ notified the company that's Romeo Alpha Victor Echo.
It's crazy, brother. Not even 9 in the morning.
TBLA, Taboola
Profitable.
signs new 5-year exclusive deal with Gray Television to power recommendations across several top-rated local broadcast
Yeah, man, any
properties,
green day is a good
digital
day, man.
All day.
assets in 113 U.S.
My
television
birthday, I
markets.
made some money.
That's Golf Tango November.
Remember all that
and
good
Bravo
news
Lima Alpha.
SIGA got, man?
Yeah.
Down in the toilet. Disrespectful, man. They'd be like, buy the rumor, sell the news, man. When they
Yeah,
say that,
man.
it's funny.
Yeah, that's what it is, man.
That shit really took a dive. I'm like, damn, that's not nice.
Yeah, that probably was a yeah, because monkeypox, man. A lot of those companies gonna be using it for pump and dump for sure.
BHAT shares hitting a high of $3.83. Again, registered direct offering priced at $3.60. Shares above that level now. That's Bravo Hotel Alpha Tango BHAT.
When the hell did that news drop? I don't even see that in news. I don't see it on Webull. Let me correct myself. GeoEV is leading in volume, man. GeoEV, I see what you want to do. You want to be aggressive.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
It's trying to be aggressive.
SKYT, Department of Defense, awards Skywater $27 million option. to facilitate
HSTO
American-made
is far
semiconductors
behind with
critical to
5 million
national
shares
security
traded. It
and
looks like that's slowing
domestic
down.
supply chains. That's in Kilo Yankee Tango.
I see on the app, this is why I love the app too, the TD Ameritrade app, the AKAN, it's up 25 cents. It's at $1.04 to supply Terra Biopharma with pharmaceutical grade cannabis for FDA trials.
Yeah.
What's your float? I mean, anything cannabis. I mean, I get it.
Cannabis, I would say 3 years ago it was popping. Oh, not bad though.
To explore use of deep brain stimulation to manage severe depression. That's Alpha Bravo Tango.
Wait a minute, how high did it go? I guess that's the better question. From 78 to 125.
NMTC Neuro One announcing
Float,
first
8
clinical
million.
cases
8 million,
of
not bad.
Seek electrode.
But
That's
is the
November
news
Michael
enough
Tango
to take away
Charlie.
from these other heavy hitters? I don't think so.
AKAN?
Yeah. I'll add it to my watch list, but I don't think it's
Yeah,
going
I'll
to be.
add it too, but I don't see any big movement to look at it.
Yeah, it has like 5 million shares, something like that. Maybe a little more. I don't know.
Drug trial for pharmaceutical cannabis. Yeah, those cannabis news really. Yeah, that's a flop, man. I'll hold on to that, but I would not trade it
RICK,
right now.
RCI Hospitality, reported sales for its nightclubs and bombshells restaurants of $70.1 million for Q3, ending June 30th. That's Romeo India Charlie Kilo.
GeoEV is coming back.
PULM, Matrix
We
announcing
just had a
first
move
subject
on
dose
BHAT.
in phase 1 study of
Kind of
PUR
a
3100 for acute
interesting pop
migraine.
there.
That's
It's like 80 million people.
Lima Michael.
So it's an offering priced at
COUP,
$3.60 a share, which is bullish
Latin
because
America. Polyostica Uniform Papa.
the trading price was $2.60. So it pops up, and there you go. But I don't know that I would really trade it in this area. It's got the 200 moving average kind of in the
Cuba
way.
announcing opening of 3 new offices in Mexico City, Sao Paulo, and Bogota. That's Charlie Oscar Uniform Papa.
All right, let me focus on what I'm doing here. ACAN, you're on my list. Indo, you're on my list. Warrants, you're being removed because I can't buy you. Histo, you're on my list. Annex, you can go. Amazon, I thought off of that news you would be going bonkers. I mean, you're up 55 cents and going up even further. Wow, it dropped to 110.27 briefly.
GOEV
What?
brought out with a note reiterating their $7 price target.
Did they
That's
just say
maintained
$7
by
price
leaving
target?
Mm-hmm.
estimates unchanged at this time.
Let's go. 430. Yep, it's moving. And the warrant is already at 95 cents, bro. So 96
440.
cents.
Well, it just touched 440.
$0.99 a dollar, bro.
Easy.
Yep, the warrant just ate $1. Yep. Whoa, there's an order for 110 strong. 442, man. It's definitely going for that $7 price target. 107. Boom.
Look at these guys.
GOEVWs at 107.
Who put in an order for 381? Like, come on, man.
There's a
Like, I'm looking at the thing, I'm like, come on.
42 cents now at the high.
It's moving. It's the top traded right now.
Yeah.
Although all these other things have like good news and they're moving big, the volume just isn't there.
Yeah, because they have no more share available to trade. So, I mean, the short. So that give him the upper hand right there. To just buy, and sell, buy and collect profit.
All right.
Yeah, I got that joint 53 cents now. I'm sitting at $1. So almost 50 cents a share. So I'm straight,
Mhm.
bro.
As soon as the market open, protection order activate.
Yeah, man.
Like, yo, 10 cents window. That's it.
Yeah, drop down 10 cents, I'm out. Yep, 104. Bunch of orders at 110. 140. All right, I see you. $4.49, dude. It's going for $5. $4.54. Yikes. Yo, 108. 109. 110. 120.
It's rising.
Yo, GOEBW is taking off, man. 120. Holy shit, that is good. Yeah, give me $1 a share on this. I'll take it. Man, that's crazy that they don't let you buy warrant of the stocks, man. They be the lowest price and just follow through everything that the actual thing is doing.
GOEV,
Mhm.
Canoe, one of the highs now, $4.61.
Right, GOEV. Indo looks like it's curling back up. Yeah, but GOEV has the news. Outfit, do I have one? Yeah, I could wear this to the vet. Good morning, darling. Good morning, babies. Have a kiss, baby. Give Papa a kiss. You want to give Papa kisses? I'm dead. Oh, you always curving me. Come here. Sure.
Did you eat breakfast?
I didn't eat any breakfast, so I'm getting ready to walk my little Coke and then take him to the vet. You give me so much energy. Look at you. So much joy. Good to go. Good to go. Good to go. You want to walk already? You trying to walk? Where you going? Huh? Where you going?
Benfica market update, S&P futures down 8.50, Dow futures down 149, NASDAQ is up 42. Crude down $5.28 now at $98.79. Gold down $3.80 at $1728.10. Bitcoin futures down 570 at 19,885.
I already know what my plays are going to be when I'm running out. Baby, you used to being down here with me now, huh? Look at you, you just sitting calm.
Chilling.
Walk Coke at 9:30. We done 9:45. I'm gonna take a drive to the vet. Someone really has an order for GOEV at $3.81. Like they really hoping for the low. They want that dip.
I'm trying, man.
I know your hands is on your gun right now.
Now with that news, man, I think I think I'm good, man. I think I'm
Oh.
sitting good.
My man got that hand on the gun. Like, hey, man.
Yeah, that kind of news don't come every day, man.
Oh, yeah, you're right. The news, the only bugger for me, the only thing off is the float. But I guess in this case today, they don't care. Imagine a buyback. Oh. Price target, $15.
Or even more.
Yeah. Babe, I'm gonna pass it back to you because I'm about to go get Coke so I can be outside a little bit before 9:30. My brother, I'm just gonna switch over to mobile because I don't know if you want to share your screen real quick so they have a little action because I'm about to shut down. Jarvis, shut down all systems. Could you imagine? Yes. Yes.
Set it up, man.
Yes. Yeah. GOEV, my eyes is on you all day. Endo, I'm with you, but if you take a nice big dip, I might buy something and hold tomorrow and hope for the fear of missing out from others. Other than that, let's quit this. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna, you got your screen? All right, perfect. I'm gonna switch over, shut you down, shut you down, shut you down. Weeble, shut you down. Doop. Shut you down. Boop.
Hi, babies. You guys are offer. Y'all want to go to the park now?
me see where I'm at. I'm the only one in here? Oh, maybe he left. Let me see. What's going on, y'all? Whoever's watching, my apologies. I guess the trading session is over. I guess my guy, he made his money. I made my money. So I guess I'll end the stream here. I'm still looking for some trades to get into, but I gotta head to the vet with my dog right here. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm gonna get into it. There's still opportunities to make money, and I'm gonna go look for that right now. So I'm gonna catch up to y'all. Again, we sign on every day, 6 a.m. So make sure y'all tune in, because that's when we're looking for the magic. That's when we're looking for what's gonna blow or what can potentially blow. Again, we are not financial advisors. Don't do what we do. Don't buy what we buy. Don't sell what we sell. We just give you, we're just really transparent with what we intend to do, why we're doing it. And obviously you should be doing your own due diligence and, you know, and trade at your own risk. So with that being said, appreciate the support. Hit the like, the subscribe, and then I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. sharp. Peace.
Who want testify? No, not bomb, but you know me.